Hey traders, good morning. Good morning. We are live right now. Let's go. We are live right now. Let's go. We are live. Good morning traders. Hope you guys doing well and and super bliss. And with that being said, guys, we're gonna have a super great day today. I hope you guys are super ready for that. Yesterday we had quite a day yesterday, having gold on a crazy sell off. We're gonna see that today. Hopefully we're gonna have a great trade. I do know we're gonna get a trade, so just be patient as we go through the market. But with that being said, hope you guys doing well and super blessed. It is the 15th of October and we're about to trade the London session. Now with that being said, guys, I want to just see if you guys can hear me before I go any further into this, guys. I just want to see if you can actually hear me. Let me, is there job in the chat on the side, right here? Your volumes, morning, Kyle, morning, Byron, morning, Umra. Hope you're blessed, Umar, good morning, Y, and Salman. Good morning to you. Why not? Morning, sir. And Tando says your volume. Jason Conaway, what's up, broski? You know, broski. How you doing, man? Let me know if you guys can hear. Actual, is the volume bad? Marky Austin is back in house. Let's go. Austin's back in house. Let's go. Jason's back in house. Let's go. After that ASL hit gold, the market went down. Crazy stuff. Yes, bro. It's crazy. If you guys turn the mic a bit up, okay, let's do that. Mic a little up. Can you guys hear me? Marshall better right now? Is the mic better right now? Let me know from you guys. Morning, sir. Morning to you too, man. We live. Volume's okay. Is it better right now? Okay. If Salam Tahir, hope you all blessed, man. Um, Walaikum Salam. Bashir in the house as well. We're getting it. We're getting it loud and clear. Okay, before we start, guys, can we get a Jabu in the chat just to make sure that Jabu is in the chat, guys? Can I get a Jabu? If you don't know what is Jabu, it's a drop a WW in the chat because it's WWE. We're gonna have a smackdown of TPs, and therefore we are here to trade the market. So we'll be trading gold as well as hopefully US30. It depends on what give us, the move. But in the morning, it seems that gold is tend to be the one, the one and only. So yesterday was quite a day because yesterday we had such a move down, such a crazy sell off after market takes our stop. That was quite interesting to see the market actually take our stop and then run in our direction. It felt like I got backstabbed. It felt as if, how the heck? Because we sat for 2 hours and 30 minutes on the stream waiting for that setup to happen. And then it happens, it gets us in, we go into some profits, and then market eventually takes us out. And then after immediately takes us out, you just see the market stop tanking down. And that was crazy. That was nearly, I think, a 1 is to 14, 1 is to 15. I think it dropped down from our stop. So that was quite interesting, man. Loud and clear. I'm good to document a. I'm good to. I'm going to document a 500 account to 5,000 2 weeks. I'll keep you posted. Let's flipping go. I'm very excited for you, bro. Document every one of it. And it's such a big setup, bro. And it was such a big setup. It was, bro. It was such a big WWE TNT Tuesday Night Titans. It was like someone rigged the market. I don't know, honestly, guys. Guys, you know, I really don't know. But I can definitely say to we have Jabu in the chat. So before we begin, guys, let's have a prayer. Then we know we can start with our session. So let's just pray. You guys know I respect all religions, so I'm just gonna pray out loud for you guys that this session just be nice and anointing, blessed in that, and then we have clear thinking, patience, and discipline on the market. So I'm gonna begin. Father God, I come before you, Lord, to thank you for this day of abundance, bliss, and success, Lord. I thank you for prosperity that holds this day, Father God. All the wisdom that you set out for us today, we reap it, Father God, through your Holy Spirit, Father God, and we thank you, Father, for the Holy Spirit actually guiding us. We thank you, Father God, for the opportunity this day holds, Father God. And with that being said, God, Father, bless every decision we made, Lord. And we believe, Father God, every decision made has a great outcome for our lives, Father God. Bless everyone on the stream, Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, Lord. And we thank you, Father, for the abundance of success, peace, love, and happiness. And thank you, Father God, for today. In the name of Jesus, we say, Amen. So, with that being said, guys, let's get going. Morning, good morning, team. Jabu, Garrett, you back, bro. I'm so happy every time I see people. Umar, WWE, Shimon, morning, y'all. Morning to you too. Let's go. I'm so happy to see, like, when I see people being consistent every day, putting up on the stream every day consistently. I just have to say, you going to reap the success, bro. The one thing that I always tell people is that anything comes with consistency. If you can be consistent, you don't have to be the most talented person. Me, I ain't that talent, bro. I don't got 100% win rate. I got a 90% win rate. But me, I hardworking. Me, I am consistent. Me, I believe in myself. Me, I am dedicated. Me, I faithful. Me, I don't know. Let's go. Now, with that being said, guys, first of all, let's look at what's happening in the market. Looking at daily time frame, just to understand what is happening. The momentum in the market. As you guys know, the first things first is actually to look at the momentum. So yesterday, being the fact that yesterday failed to close back the daily level. So guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I did post a YouTube video just for you guys. I actually, why I posted the YouTube video explaining this strategy, so that anyone comes on the stream and feel lost, you are more welcome to go just watch the video I posted like yesterday and the day before. Not day before, yesterday. The two videos on my YouTube, the recent two videos on my YouTube, right? I explained the strategy because I want everyone on the stream to be able to understand what's my thought process like on the stream. So you're educated, you have the strategy, and now you know when we're on the chart what we're actually looking for. And then when I explain something, it's not like, oh, just random things. You actually understand it, right? Because I want you guys to be able to do this so eventually on your own. Now, with that being said, guys, you can see the market comes all the way into daily candle yesterday, failing to actually go above. Friday failing to go above the daily level. Then yesterday, Monday, going all the way above the daily, but actually creating a high right there and then coming right back down. Now, that was quite interesting because we were actually looking to trade off these levels yesterday for a sell down, and the fact that it was actually Asian highs yesterday that we taken out and then coming all the way down. Now, with that being said, having a bearish candle doesn't determine that this will just be a bearish momentum all the way down. I actually do think since we have a bullish, we're gonna have a bearish one-off candle to throw you off, and I actually do think we're probably gonna continue seeing a bullish momentum for this day. Right now, why I say that, guys, look at the previous times right here. You'll see we have a bullish candle, little bullish, and you just use the previous candles for that, right? Now here to throw you off, and you say, okay, no, it's going to continue. The market does spike all the way up, but like the direction of the market is quite bullish. You see, eventually continues with its trend, it going bullish, bullish. There you use a previous candle bullish, previous candles for the day. Every day using the previous candle for the current day, right? Then eventually when it retraces, it's gonna be a bit of a hiccup right here. You're probably gonna have a bit of hiccup here, but there you're going to start seeing market is eventually going in as a little trend. Now same thing, guys, I do see that market still has to probably continue going higher. However, being in mind that we have a weak level right here which we can use for buys off, and then another one we can have is we have the day level which we can break above, and then also give this as an area of entry, and then going all the way into the highs, right? So we have the quite key areas between these places, but we're not yet at those areas. So that means that we should either be looking for trades on the lower time frame for a scalp up or scalp down, and if from there we can look for trades of these levels into the main levels, actually monthly high or actually daily level low. Now, with that being said, as you can see, we don't, if you look at these levels, it doesn't necessarily gonna happen in one single day, right? There's only very few times where the market actually will shoot all the way up. Now, when I say this, I look at normal levels like this. This is a normal, most of the time of the market is doing. It's actually ranging like this, right? So you're gonna trade in between these levels, but when it breaks above into a level, it's gonna impulse in one direction. Right now, you can see markets just ranging between these levels, especially from the daily and weekly level right now. So we're gonna range between this, meaning that we can just look for in the meantime trades up to here, and then also trades down into the low weekly low right there. Okay, guys. So that is the main idea around the market right now. I don't want to be looking for major moves or the up and major moves down, because we want to make sure we clear out either this daily level right here and as well the week level. Then we can say, okay, we're looking for major levels, major moves right now, like these ones, like a move up. So since we actually rejected yesterday, I want to see if there's gonna be a trade up towards here, and then if not, I will take a trade. But my main idea behind this, I need to see the momentum is bullish. So it's going to be more ideal to look for a buy in the market, right? Going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, you can just look if there's any trend that was, made yesterday or something like that that we could use, or the overall trend. You can see that the market is quite bullish, guys. It's quite obvious going up, and then right here we have some sort of structure. So looking at the structure, if you struggle with structure, just use a what do you call this, like a arrow tool like this that we can use for some sort of guidance. Okay, guys. Now this is what is happening right on the market. Now, with that being said, showing this height, you can see the structure much more clear. So let's read this chart right now. You can see on top here we have a high. We can see the market is still higher than this level. We have a higher low, but market went lower than that level. We have a lower high. Right here we have still higher than this. We have a higher low, but this market went lower, so it's a lower high. We have right here a lower low. So there we go, we have a lower low. So now the structure is going bearish, right? It is a bit of bearish momentum. So on the lower time frame, that means we can maybe look for short term, when I say short term, hyper scalps, maybe for a move back down. But with that being said, it's a bit more better to look for a trade on this area here, or there. Okay, so trades in between this area will be of a high risk trade. Now looking at this point, we can see that we have a range right here as well. So this is a build-up of a momentum. Now I do believe that this probably came from the London low right here. So we can see probably these areas here, probably the London low, I mean Asian low, not London low. So I want to watch out if this is actually part of the Asian low. Okay, guys, so I'm going to just check on our tools right now if I can just get a Asian, let's see here quick, Asian range quick, and I can just put on the Asian range. Is there any specific Asian range that you guys still use, you guys like to use? Let me know what Asian range do you guys like to use from these Asian session, or what do you guys use Asian session? Is there any one you guys like to use of these ones? Let me know from you guys. I would appreciate if you guys can just let me know what one do you guys tend to use on here. Then I can also know what one do you guys use. Let me know, guys, in the chat. I'll appreciate that. What is the in Asian session that you use? Yeah, but let me see quick. I'll try quick one. Okay. Um, let's see. I'm gonna use this one quick here. Okay, there we go. There, I'll use this one quick in the meantime, right? So just to look at it, if it is accurate, go down to 30-minute time frame just to see if it's going to be accurate, right? I just want to see if it's accurate as well. But one thing I can see, it is accurate because this is Asian lows, guys. This here is Asian lows. So right now, and that's Asian highs, which is quite accurate as well. Okay. The other thing I do want is just take away these things. Let's take away these lines and then take away the New York, Asian, London awful, and London, and there we go. We can take out that inputs. That is more or less what it is. Okay. So just to look at it, that is actually Asian high, Asian low right there. And with that being said, guys, you can see right there we did come off actual the Asian low right. So we came in the Asian low, created the Asian low, and then now moved all the way up. Now, with that being said, I want to actually see if we come into this Asian high right here, which is going to be right off at this high. Let's actually see what happens right over here. Okay, so that is a quite key area for us, is the Asian high right here, and we can drop that in as well. Okay, so maybe takes the Asian high. Okay, and then we're gonna have Asian low right here as well. Okay, so we have Asian low right here as well. We have Asian high, Asian low. Now, with that being said, you have your levels. You can take all these things off. You understand, okay, the direction of the market is, right now it's still on high time frame bullish, but on a lower time frame, it is a bit of a bearish momentum right here. Okay, so however, I want to just see something. If I use my FIB levels, my precision levels from year to year quick, I want to see where are we about. Yeah, it's the same. So you can see right now we just came off the Asian, which was created on the 75%, all the way back up. So we're gonna have to watch out at the 25%. So 25% is matched by the Asian high, so that's gonna be a key area. So for me, this point in time is quite interesting to see that if we come here, we probably can see a trade go down like that. So I'm looking at probably Asian high taken out, and then we get a trade down. Okay, guys. So my views is your voice is low, guys. Let me see quick. Let me try to fix this up for you guys. Okay. I don't want to make it any bad because the thing is that better? Is that better, guys? Let me hear from you guys. Is this actually clean? Is that way better, traders? Let me know in the chat. Is the sound better right now? Salam Dayan. Hope you doing blessed, man. Um, is this way better right now? Let me know in the chat. I'll appreciate it. Yep, better, but okay, perfect. I just want to make sure that our sound is actual right, because if it doesn't, if I'm not gonna get it right, then it's gonna be a problem. Now, with that being said, we have Asian highs right here, guys. Okay, and what I'm looking at is, if I could just make this a little clear for you, that even if I don't have to have this one on top here, not this one, take away this, I can just have this area here, and I can type it in this one, so I don't have to have that actually in. I can just type it here in. Okay, now what I'm looking for an Asian high, okay, I'm looking for something probably like this, and then a trade down. Okay, guys, so right now my views are from Asian high. I'm gonna wait for a possible sell right here. Okay, and again, I don't want to put my stops very tight like this. I want to put my stops where I can let it breathe a bit. So if you want to, you can put your stops just above. Let's look on the lower time frame. We have to wait for actually the 5 minute or lower time frame. So when it comes there, I want to just see how it comes towards it, because I need to see a three type of candles. I need to see three type of candles happen, right? Three type of candles need to happen. Either gonna be, does anyone know what's those three candles? Before I actually mention this, does anyone know the the three candles we're looking for? Let me know. Does anyone know the three candles that we're looking for actually? There's three type of candles we need on this market. Does anyone know the three candles? So when we're looking for the sell, but I need to see something happen here. There's three type of candles. Let me hear from you guys if you guys are with me. Okay, three type of candles. What is those three candles that we're looking for? I'll wait for you. Okay. Morning, good morning, bro. Hope you all and bless. Anyone? No one knows. Okay, I'll just mention it. It's fine. We have the continuation, we have a slowdown, and we have reversal. We have slowdown, continuation, and reversal. Those are the basically three things we have on the market for candlesticks. So when I'm looking at the candlestick, I'm watching how the market is going to react Is it gonna be slowing down here on top, right? Is this gonna be a slowdown area? Okay, maybe come in with with a small body candle right here. That means a slowdown. I know, okay, from the momentum it's coming up from, it's slowing that direction. Then I need a reversal candle, I mean a big bearish candle to show me its hand to the downside. So I want to see here on top what is happening is mark comes in, slows down, give us a doji candle, and then after that we have a massive candle to the downside. Okay, is just man, I really don't know. I honestly don't know right at this point. I never change anything. It's the same settings, guys. I won't lie, it's the same settings. Let me see. I'll just bring it all the way up for you guys. Can you hear me? I don't know. Let me hear for myself quick. Can you hear me? Is it loud enough? I can hear myself, guys. I don't know, for some reason. Like I can hear. I just played myself loud now. I don't know. Like the mic is loud. It's better. Yes, it's loud. It is loud enough, right, Lorraine? Lauren? It is loud. Yeah, it is loud enough. I think it's loud enough. I don't know. Your good sound is perfect. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Hey, Oliphant. I think it was you requested a video. It was yesterday posted. Yeah. So I posted that video for you yesterday as well. You've been. I think you requested like, please can you teach us the entry? I gave basically the entry. It's okay. Yeah. So right with that being said, guys, that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking that we probably gonna get a push up and then push down. I want to change my Asian session. I don't like this Asian range, so I'm gonna try to find my Asian session range. So Asian, I want to find this one that I like to use. For some reason, I deleted it. So it could be this one. It's a low key one. Let's see quick. I don't know if it's this one. Let's check quick. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, this one can be used. There we go. Inputs, Asian show pups. Nope. 50% yes. There we go. There we go. And then style input. Let's see, what is that? No. Oh no, it's not this one. It's not this one. There's a one that I'm trying to find. Right. There's one that I was using. Uh, I was using it yesterday. For some reason, I found it and it's gone right now. Actually, so let's see. Asian session range. There's one that I found, but it ain't here. So Asian range. Let's check that quick. Asian range. Nicola. Which one is it? It wasn't this, man. Asia range. Mm-mm. Uh, Asian session range. It's this. It has to be this, man. It has to be this one. It's this one. Yes, it has to be this one. I just think what I did. Oh, it is this one, guys. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. What I did was I took off this. I took off this, and I took off this. I took off this. I took off this. I took off this. And previous daily low, high and low, weekly high and low. Took off this one as well, and it should be. There we go. Here's it, guys. You see, there's it. So I don't have to draw this in for us. It's already done there. There it is. It's done. So that's the one. If you guys want it, it's basically this one right here. Asian um range, or Asia range. It's this one. I'm gonna start out there. Okay, that's the one that basically I was using. Okay, so if you guys Hard sell, gents. The volume is a bit more softer today, definitely. No ways. Leave me here, leave me here, leave me here. No man, I don't know. You guys are fucking around with me. What is wrong with you guys? I'm gonna put this thing up. And now, is it better? Guys, this is max. I can't. Like honestly, this is like max, guys. At this point in time, it's the max. I don't know what must I do right now. Like I don't wanna. I don't know. This is max. Yeah, make a pipe, brother. Yeah, make a flipping pipe, man. Make a pipe. Now it's better. It's the max. It's the. You guys are killing me. Oh my gosh, you guys can kill me, bro. Really. Yes. Let me just put my charger in. Yes, I really, you guys can finish me. Yeah, you guys finish me. Oh my gosh, really. Uh, I must have my oats for the morning before we get in trades, right? Let's see. We're coming into that area right now. You see, so let's watch as it comes into the Asia high. I want to see what happens at the Asia high because this is what I'm looking for. Probably something like that. Take a buy, a sell off from there to the low, or it actually breaks. If it breaks completely out, and then probably gonna work its way back into the daily level over there. Okay, guys. Now, on the other note, putting on our levels like this, you can see it's coming into that same area. Let's see, where is it? Right there. There we go. We just coming into that 25%. Now let's wait. We're at the key area. We might get a trade somewhere around here right now. So I've been patient. A trade will aspire right here right now. Transpire actual right here right now. So we're waiting for this just to see how this is gonna play out here, the reaction of it. So you can see we're coming into the market. This is a very important time right now. We're coming into markets, Asian high. I want to watch how the market reacts here. If it's gonna give a slowdown candle, I want to see if it's gonna give a rejection, if it's doing a closure above, or look at the 30-minute time frame. Because again, guys, a very important moment right here, right now. See, same thing like yesterday. Market pushed all the way out, then drive back in. So I want to see if that's probably going to be the same case today. But if not, then it may be close below. Then that can be a nice way to take a trade back down. Okay. Is that not an inverse head and shoulder of what time frame? I don't trade inverse and shoulder, by the way. So it doesn't really matter if it's an inverse head and shoulder. So I'm not an inverse. I'm not a pattern trader, but you're probably talking about inverse. You said inverse. So it should have been like shoulder head. There's no shoulder here. Yeah, there's a shoulder head, shoulder, something like that though. I don't know where you've seen the inverse head and shoulder. Maybe on a lower time frame, let's see 5 minute quick. 5 minute. Inverse head and shoulder. Are you talking about this, and this? I mean, this can be an inverse head and shoulder, but I don't. If it was inverse head and shoulder, then it must be like clear structure to see it though. But be able to see that structure very much more clear. 50-minute time frame. Let's see the 50-minute time frame. There's still no inverse head and shoulder, man. Where is your inverse head and shoulder? Ah, Joy, I don't know what do you. What are you? What are you talking about, bro? Like, if you can show me inverse head and shoulder, where is the inverse head and shoulder? I don't know. I really don't know. If you could show me the inverse head and shoulder, like maybe send a chart, and maybe guys you can send chart through. You can send the chart through. So there's no shoulder this side though. There's just this level goes lower, creates in highs. So I don't see the inverse any shoulder right now, but I'm looking for a trade idea actually. Yeah, maybe if you could maybe show me. Let's check on the 3 minute time frame as well. Let's do this, guys. Today's gonna be a blessed day. I do believe it's gonna be a super, super blessed day today. I do believe. So we're gonna have to just be patient and wait for this trade, right? Wait for the trade, wait for the trade. Let's go. Okay, we're breaking highs. Let's watch what's happening. Maybe I'm either looking for something like this to happen, hmm like that, or if not there, it's gonna be probably gonna be from the top up, like that, and probably take it up like that, for quick trade up there. It all depends. I can hear you. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's even talking about because man, I don't know. I've been I mean I can hear myself. Every time I go on the live stream I can hear myself, man. So that's quite interesting. But another anyway, let's look at these any other news that we could be watching out for. I just want to check if there's any news, guys, because we want to see if there's maybe perhaps a news event that we could be watching out for today. There's a news event at no, there's not major news. There's no major news today. No major news today. Today on our side, there's no major news today. So that's also interesting. Okay, but on the other end, guys, looking at it, I want to see probably if we're gonna get a possible trade from this side to the downside. Okay, guys, that's what I'm looking for is a possible trade from here to the downside. So let's see if we'll probably get a trade from here to the downside. It's gonna be interesting to get a trade from there to the downside. Okay, just waiting for it. Once I can get a clear entry, I'm gonna take a trade from here to the downside. Now we do have our first rejection on the 30 minute. This is the first one which market failed right there. Let's see if this is gonna be it. The one thing I want to say with this is if that we're gonna get a trade here, we're probably gonna trade our way back towards here. Okay, guys, this will probably be the trade to the downside. Also being the fact that I will put a stop for 300 at least, yeah, just to make it safe, and then I'll take a trade all the way down. Okay, now let's see what happens on this side. Just be patient. I'm waiting, waiting, just waiting. There's the first break. Let's see in the 5 minute what is happening on the 5 minute time frame. Let's see. Okay, there we go. We have one rejection over there. Nice clean rejection over that one there. Here we go, guys. That is it, like that. And then we can just wait for a pull there in, I think. And once we get a pull in there, guys, then I'm gonna actually look for a trade to the downside. Okay, so if I get a trade to the downside, I'm gonna let you guys know. Okay, okay, I'll let you guys know. Let's check on a 1 minute. Yeah, we probably can get probably a trade to the downside from this one. Let's see. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, guys, I'll let you guys know right now. Let's see. Where are we right now? Slow down candle. Yes, that's correct. 100% slow down impulse, and now we're taking the trade down. 100%. That's why. So we're looking for just this, and we get in, right? So even if we're gonna get a candle on a 3 minute, I might take a trade on a 3 minute time frame for the sell down. So we already have this here happening. I'm just waiting for the pullback into here. Once I get a pullback into here, I'm taking a sell from here, this area, and I'll take it all the way down. We can have a high risk and put a stop loss right here, but again, we can't do that if we want to, but we're gonna have possibility of taking us out and then coming back, in our direction. So I'd say let's just keep it safe, put it just above the highs, giving us a nice 300 stop right there, right? And then having this take profit all the way to here, giving us a 1:2. Okay, and if it does go all the way down towards here, it'll give us a 1:5, 1:4. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Still waiting. I'll let you guys know once I get in an entry. Yeah, let me have my oats for the morning. Eat your oats, kids. Eat your oats. Be a good child and eat your oats. Let's check what happens right now. Okay, market's coming in. Let's watch it. It's coming right into that area. 5 minute. Okay, let's see what happens here. 3 minute time frame. Okay, give it a second. I want to see. We have 1 minute on this candle just to check how it actually reacts right now. Okay. What's the contract size? What's the contract size? It should be 100, right? Is it USD or ZAR? USD or ZAR? Gareth, is it USD or ZAR? Give me a second. I'm just focused. When I'm here, I'm focused. I'm trying to make sure like we get a trade right here. USD. Okay, let me use my calculator. So let's say you want to risk 100,000. I mean 1%, which is $1,000. You want to divide by 300. So let's say you have $1,000 divided by 3 point. It should be 3.3. 3.3, 3.33, something like that. 3.33. I can just check also. Let me just check on the calculator. Just watching here to get a possible trade. The thing is, we have a nice slowdown candle right now here as well. So we have one not a rejection, right? But we don't have a doji. So here's the doji happening right here. So we have a doji right on this section right here right now. So I want to just watch here. I'm not yet ready to take the trade, but just watching 5 minutes, especially the 5 minute. We have one 5 minute right here. That impulse candle is not yet closed. We have 30 seconds for it to close. It's not as impulsive. So we have, it's just a close out. It's not really impulsive. We want a big candle to come down, then we can confirm that actual move. You know, right now it's just a rejection up, come back down, and therefore I'm saying still wait for the market, because again we need a clear impulse. Once you get a clear impulse like this side right here, clear impulse, and then you come back to test that 80, you get in. Okay, so this is just a little bit of candle, not such a big impulse candle. So we want to see an impulse candle, something like this right here. We like these type of candles. But if I want, I might decide to take a trade from 3 minute. There's the impulse right there, and then I'm gonna have to take a little bit of let's say a riskier entry to the downside. So let's see if this one closes. If it closes right here, and then let's see. I must help you. Hey, that's the thing. Let me help get this. So I think it's 3.3. Should be 3.3, bro. Let me do mine as well. And yeah. Okay, we looking. Let's see if we can get this trade to the downside. Come on, man. London, London, London. London session. London session. It's a complete pleasure, man. Complete pleasure, complete pleasure. We're gonna get it. We get it going. Okay, we're gonna get it going, Trace. I'll let you guys know once I'm getting in. I'll let you guys know once I'm getting in. I will let you guys know once I get in. Okay. Once I get in, I'll inform you guys. Okay. So still just waiting. Let's see on the 1 minute. Mm. I'm looking at impulse changing. Here we have a change of structure right here. We change it right here, so we can see market up, fails, and right here. Okay, 3 minute time frame. Let's check the 3 minute out. Okay, just check the 3 minute quick out. Once the 3 minute can clear, because we have now a nice doji right there with this one right here. So the 5 minute on the other end, it may be not the best on the 5 minute, but I would say at least to watch out, at least if we can get this one on a lower time frame. So we might not get it on the 5 minute, but we can get it on a lower time frame, like a 3 minute time frame. Okay, so that's the other thing. So just wait for me while I will be patient for my trade. It's here. Let me just wait for my trade. Once I have the trade, I will inform you guys. Okay, so just be patient. Oats for strong people. Oats is for strong people. Let's check quick on Nasdaq, on US30. Here we go. US30 market is at the Asian high. So since we're at the Asian high right now, waiting for this to either take out like that or actually impulse all the way up. So we need to just see what's gonna happen at this point. It's at the it's a very important point right now. Let's see gold again. Go back to gold. Don't miss anything on gold. Um, Still waiting. Go on a 1 month time frame. Let's see on a 1 month time frame. Okay, we have that the. mm. So what I'm showing you guys is we're at the oversold right here. We're at the top. With the RSI. We're at the top RSI right here. We're at the BB. We're at the Asian high as well. So that's quite interesting. We can see market probably wanna take a move to the downside. Mm. Putting on my EMAs, still holding that. We have to snap. Now I like to snap EMAs, like market trade into EMA would be nice. That's also something interesting to see. Let's remove all this nonsense so it looks clean, so people don't say, "Oh man, you trained the indicators." I'm not trading the indicators. I'm using it as confluence. Use it as confluence. Anything on US30? Yeah, US30. Is this gold? Yes, this here is gold right now. We are looking for potential shorts to the downside, but it depends on how the market is moving right now. Especially on the 5 minute. 5 minute gave slowdown candles, so which is quite good. These are slowdown candles. It's nothing impulsive, so I like slowdown candles. This whole area is like this 1, 2, 3 slowdown candles. We didn't get anything of a impulse to the downside, so that's why I'm not as yet getting in a trade. But we're looking for a trade to the downside from on gold and on US30. Like I said, I just went over US30, but I'll go over US30 again for you guys. On US30, same thing, same. You can see that US30 is in the Asian range. We have Asia high right here. We can probably come and take out Asia high, and we're coming to Asia high. We can probably look for a trade down, but if it wants to, it can also want to break above it and then retest it and go up. Now on the other thing, guys, um, you want to have maybe your levels on there just as a reference, so you can probably put on your levels as well. Let's see quick here. Where is this now? Back here, monthly. Monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, go on a monthly time frame, and you can have your levels drawn up. So let's just delete all this quick here. You can have your levels all drawn up, so do that, and then you take preferred levels, and you take another one, clone it, and then just take it up towards there. Now I have levels here on top. Go down there, maybe take it to all one, and then take the background quick off. There we go. Go on to a lower time frame, 30-minute time frame. As you see, we are currently in the middle of these levels. You see, we're currently in the middle of the levels, so that means we need to watch out how the market moves here. We can have maybe a trade on the lower time frame, just rather. Yeah, that's why I'm not trading of these levels, because it's in the middle, so I'm rather going to use the Asian range as a guidance. Okay, Nasdaq is consolidating. Yeah, let's check Nasdaq out. Nasdaq on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, Nasdaq is the same thing. Nasdaq is consolidating, like you say. There is the Asian. It came from the Asian low right now. So 5-minute time frame, you can see how it's actually just came off the Asian low. So on the low, quite interesting. On the low, down below. Looking at Asian low tap. Yeah, 9 o'clock is 9 o'clock right now. There we go. Nine was here, step it, come in, and then eventually trailing back to the equilibrium. As I say, I'm rather gonna trade gold because gold's gonna give me much more of a. It's gonna give me a cleaner trade, guys. 5 minute time frame. It's much more cleaner on gold, honestly speaking. I'm rather looking for gold, a trade on gold to the downside. Um, this would be much more cleaner. Something way cleaner. Yeah, it's be way cleaner on gold. 1 minute time frame. Looking at the 1 minute time frame, we can see there was a nice um, push back again into the Asian high one more time and impulse back down. So this is quite clean, if I could say. 3 minute time frame, looking good though. Rejecting, nice impulse back down. I would say 3 minutes looking good. Just the 5 minute, not as of yet. We have that. We can impulse. I would say if you want to, we can have a high risk entry and get into the downside. If we want to have a high risk entry, um, let's see quick here. I actually want to see if I can get a sell to the downside on this one actually. So I want to actually see if I can get a sell for here to the down move. There we go. That's what I'm looking for right now. Just a nice push to the downside. Here we go. Nice. I want to see if it's going to continue going down. Right there. Put that on 50% here. And then we have stops right here. Ooh. Ooh. 25%. At this point here. Let's see this one. It's gonna be a nice, interesting one to get this one down to remove. For a sell down of here. 5 minutes still holding. 5 minutes wants to impulse it down, but the 5 minute is not as of yet. It's still doing the small thing. That's why I say this will be a much more higher risk entry for a sell down. But again, guys, I am looking for the sell here from this point in time all the way down into the equilibrium low again. Um, being the fact that we had on the 3 minute time frame, we can see market impulse down, has a little bit of a slowdown candle right there. Impulse is down, shows us a little bit of range, comes back to test it, and then comes, I'm looking for that continuation push to the downside. Now on the other side, guys, I do see the fact that if we can have this mini trend going up here broken, it'd be nice because we do have a mini trend going up. So we want to watch out that the actual trend that's happened at the end needs to be changed. So this is probably a possible start of a change of a trend right here, but we need to see the continuation of a lower low. Okay, that's what I'm thinking is a continuation for a downside. um I'd like to sell below your risk line. So basically this one here. Yeah. Yeah, you could sell the. It depends on what you feel comfortable with. Again, right now, me, I'm seeing a possible continuation to the downside. Let's go. There we go. Pushing. Nice. Can we get the push more down? Will be interesting. Again, we have about 9 minutes left, and then we'll get the 10 o'clock push in South Africa, 10 a.m. South African time push. So that will be interesting to see if we can actually get the continuation to the upside, or will this be a continuation to the downside. That's gonna be interesting as well. But Ashal, that's a good setup. Thank you so much. You will win. Amen. I receive it, man. Amen. I receive it. Let's see. And again, if this thing continues going down, we can look at a possible bigger trade of 1:4. That would be nice. But I would say first things is 50%, taking a trade down in from gold from here to 50% at least. Just there we go. Come on, man. Just push it down. Give a nice impulse down. Would be great for us. Come on. There we go. 25%. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay, let's see what's happening over here. Okay, looking at it on 1 minute time frame, still holding this area. 3 minute time frame. The 3 minute time frame still didn't break this area. You see how the 3 minute time frame is still not giving a full impulse though on the side. It's still ranging on this thing. It's not giving the impulse that we want. On the 5 minute, 5 minutes, nothing is doing it for us. 5 minute is just ranging completely. This whole thing is just a complete range. As you see, market is just ranging, ranging, ranging. It's not giving the full, so it's slowing down. We have the rejection candle, we have the slowdown candles, but nothing of yet of an impulse candle, which means there's gonna be an impulse. One of it is gonna be impulse. It's either gonna impulse here, push completely to the downside, or it's an impulse and it's an impulse all the way up to the upside. So it's about just being patient to see where is it gonna impulse to. That's the main key part, is to actually see where it's gonna impulse into. There we go. Let's see. Maybe collect. Nice. Collect some orders. Just drop down. Be nice. The other thing I don't like about this is that you can see that we have a lot of rejections more to the actual downside. So that is not nice. Then we have a lot of rejections to the downside. It should have just give a lot of more big rejections on the top side to show actual, there is more sellers. But right now it's actually showing more of rejections to the downside. There's more rejections at the bottom. So what we need to do in order for this thing to continue selling all the way from here down, we need to see that actual this area gets engulfed by a massive bearish candle. So we're looking for a massive bearish candle to come through like that. Um, and then we can say, okay, this is going to be continuing to the downside. So we want to see a massive bearish candle to the downside, something to that effect. Want to see a massive candle going down. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm now with you guys in the chat. I just want to check quick. When I'm getting to a trade, guys, it's like I need to focus. I just need to focus. So I don't know if you guys can multitask and have, I can't even have my son really run around and me trying to multitask. It's like I can need to focus in this zoning. I need to be in the zone because it just take a simple split decision to place your stop at the wrong area, to get your entry at the wrong place, or basically get a late entry or miss the actual direction, and you can miss a simple misinterpret the information, and that how you make a bad decision. So not a bad decision, but yeah, bad decision. You can call it a bad decision. Okay. So that's why I always try to focus, but I try to multitask. When you have a chat, you need to like look at the chat when you're trading both ways, look at the chat and then come back. So let's check what he's saying. What strategy using? I use everything I can think of. I use basically impulsive corrective waves, distributions, alert waves. I use support resistance. Man, I use my own methodology which I've created. I use Fibonacci levels. I use what make me money in the market. Honestly speaking, that's the craziest thing people ask. Like, why do I actually use my strategy, which is the TFE IP strategy? But the TFE IP strategy is, of course, for my VIP community, and then I use also fib levels. So I mainly use everything you can think of. Trend lines, I use it. Support resistance, I use it. Fibonacci, I use it. Psychological levels, I use it. I'm a trader. I don't classify myself as a smart money concept trader, IC trader, or elite wave trader, or trend line trader, a counter trader. I'm just a trader that looks for opportunity in the markets and take advantage of it. So if it makes sense to use a trend right here, right now, like if I can use a trend line to help me make it understand it, I will use it. It's about using something to your advantage to find. So when you find opportunity and take advantage of it, so whatever tools you have, use those to take advantage of it. I hope it helps me answer. I know it's not the answer you want, because you want me to say, okay, I use some, I don't know, like maybe the most thing that comes to mind is SMC or ICT or thingy. I like using ranges. So basically, if I could think about a range quick right now, is like, say we have this here, I like that. I like a range. Is a bigger range. This is a bigger range actually. This whole thing is actually a massive range right there. I like that. Those are good trade. Those are good things. You see how here on top we had a little range coming off from, so you can see how it impulses, then we have this range right there. I like that there. You can see how it impulses, come retest it, and this trade's going down. So this was actually yesterday's one. You can see here as well, I love this, even though it manipulated yesterday. There we go, and then comes in, but I still love using it because eventually you start seeing that. There we go, impulse, and then it still came back to the same areas all. So I like these things, basically ranges, trend from range to range, if I could say that, range to range. I love those things because range to range gives me much more clear understanding the market. Like you see, right, this whole thing is a range right now. So yeah, based on based on FUG, this trade will bearish. Okay, why? FUG. Let's see what time frame. 3 minute time frame, 2 minute time frame. Let's see 2 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. I think on a 1 minute time frame is FUG here. So here's FUG right over here, basically there. So you're looking at this trade on this right here. That there, something to that effect. Am I right or wrong? Let's see support resistance. There we go. Something like that. So you look for a trade on this side for also to go sell on gold. Amazing, beautiful. So you're looking for a trade of here. I mean, that's where you're supposed to, like, if you take a fair value gap, you're supposed to take a trade over here and get in for a sell to the downside with a stop. I don't know, you stop go here, or I think your stop supposed to be right there, nah? Above the high. So when you get a FUG trade, yeah, yeah, that's correct. Okay, I see. So it's still in the right. You see, I see, like, it's still like I see it as resistance right here, as the resistance as well as edge high. You see, you still see the same thing, and that's what I'm trying to show people. Like, and I just want to share that to people that you don't need to have only one strategy. You can have an understanding about the market and make up a get a opportunity in the market with the understanding that you have. So I hope that makes sense. That it's not always just about a simple one strategy. It's about just because I can mean this is a if you guys don't believe it, right? Let me show you guys something. That's a precision level. I mean, this is a Fibonacci level. Like check your precision. That's a 75% level. Well, even in fact, I could put this at 25% level if I put it the other way around, like this way around. I think. There we go. You can see that's actually a level actually in the market. Just check this out from year to year, and that's the same thing I trade. See, 25% level, and it's at the Asian high. Do you see? And it's support. So that's why I say, like, and I can use a trend line. I can use a trend line to help me aid this thing. So there we go. So that's what I'm saying. 25%. Nice, beautiful, beautiful trade. Bye bye gold. Bye bye gold. That shout out to this bye bye gold for sells. Let's see if it's gonna push down below the 25% mark. Because again, guys, it's about making sure that this thing actually breaks. That you need the impulse. Remember, this is not actually breaking out. It's still in this range. It's not yet breaking out, guys. The thing is, gold needs to clear this range with the impulse. So we have ranges. Yes, it started there, but the wicks is still going there. There was still wicks down there. So this can still close in this area, guys, because we have wicks, wicks, wicks here. It means that gold is still in the range. There's not an impulse yet. The impulse must still come out, guys. There still needs to be impulse in this candle to the downside. The problem with gold, the problem gold does not respect setups. I hear you. No, definitely. Gold does not want to respect anything. I mean, the market's not supposed to respect anything, guys. So that's why I say you need to wait for the setup. It's not about like it's simple. Like it's not the market. Any market's not going to respect your setup. The case is you just need to be patient and wait for your setup. You know, when the setup comes out, then you take it and you follow risk management. Because in the day, even if I take this trade down, it still has a possibility of being wrong. Even if I'm gonna take a buy up, I can take a buy right here, right now. Let's say I take a buy right there. Oh, not this. Where's this thing? Where's my buy setup? There we go. Why I change? I can take a buy right there, right now. Put a stop right at the low, like this. I say, okay, my stop is here or at the low. And this trade, you just want to take the stops out right and come right back to low. Then my long can be so wrong. So again, guys, okay, no, okay, me no. As I told you guys, there needs to be an impulse still. There still needs to be impulse. Like you just need to be patient because the thing is, you can jump in, but there's all slowdown candles. There's no impulse candle as of yet, guys. You need to see an impulse candle on gold. Once you see impulse candle, you have the direction, guys. Look here, come and show you. Here you have one candle, a slowdown. Look at this. Bam, here's a slowdown candle. Look immediately this one impulsed, and there was a nice thingy pushed out. It didn't come back, but here was push up, and it just continued going up. Here it comes in, it's slowed down. It's not doing the one candle, it's doing multiple candles. So it means it's gonna be a bigger move, but it's gonna be an impulse in one direction. Okay, so same thing with this side. More comes in, here's a little bit candles, goes down, comes back to test it, then goes down. So everywhere you see the market does this, like you'll see that market comes in, there's a slowdown candle, close it. That's not impulse, but it's impulsing on its slow, slow, slow. But let's look at this. So anywhere you go with the range, check this out. Right, here's the high. Market comes in the high, impulses. There's the first candle. Check this out. The first candle goes boom. There we go. Look at that. There's the first candle. Now look at impulse. Look at how it comes back to test it, and then drives off. So even if you might have had this one here. Remember this early moon. Now you're not going to trade here, but let's say even here. Here you have the slowdown candles. There we have this candle distributing. So every time you can have an impulse entry, you can have a impulsive entry, or you can have a conservative entry. So again, guys, I always tell and I always will mention that I'd rather wait for an impulse. Once you get the impulse, you can get in on the market. You know, once you get an impulse, you can get a nice entry in. How many days? 4%. How many days? Shall lot size. Okay. How many days are you trading? Oh, how long are you trading? Jason Conway, Mr. Jason Conway has been trained with me actually with me, and he's training on his own right now. But Jason is, for I know, since he was trading since he was my very first mentorship, nah? Like I think, bro, that was 2020. What is that, bro? Jason, yeah, I think you were in 2021. Was that 2021, 2022? 2021, right? I think 2021. Yeah, 2021. Yeah, it's the first one. Exactly. He's trained quite some time, man. He knows what he's talking as well, so he definitely knows his works. I can show you. I can even show how he sends his chart. He sent his chart, so he called out some good trades actually. So I can show you actually. So Jason, I said 21. Yeah, 21. Definitely. It was the first one. Yeah, very first one, and that was quite nice as well. Very small group, right? Very very small. We just kept it small, and like that every day live, continue, pushed, and you grow that way. You grow that way. You lie. Your first mentor was Fister. Jokes. My. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Who the fuck is it? Guys, you guys are crazy. You guys are killing me. You guys are killing me. Oh my gosh. You guys are killing me. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's see. 10 o'clock is open, guys. Let's see if this thing can give us an impulse to the downside. Will be nice. Let's go for a sell down onto for gold down in. Be great to see if this market can actually give us a continuation to the downside. Would be nice. I give you that. Wait, the market does not look nice today. Just wait for the York session. Yeah. Uh-huh. Clint Vista. That's the good experience, Clint. I give that guy props for opening my eyes to Faris, but that's about it. I'm not shy to say he's a good. Hey, hey, Chandler. www jabu 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 in the chat. Jabu jabu guys. Why are we choosing like violence today? Like, why are we choosing violence? Like, why violence today? Yo, you guys woke up on the wrong side of the bed today, ne? Yes. Yo. No. You guys woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Let me rather say Jabu 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 in the chat, Jabu 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 in the chat. Just drop even just drop a Jabu in the chat. It's finished. Just the thing is, let me speak. I'm gonna speak about. We can't talk about him every day, guys. We spoke about him a few times right now. Okay, but the thing is, he was good, man. He was good. Like, look here, Jabu. Just drop a Jabu. Just drop Jabu in the chat, man. Jabu. Still, still push up, guys. It's still no impulse to the downside. Still, we need an impulse down, man. Let's see. Nothing. Still nothing. Still nothing on the side. Wait, let's see. Jabu, Jabu, just drop Jabu in the chat. Let's just leave it there. Yeah, drop Jabu. Thank you guys. Jabu, 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 Jabu in the chat. We leave it out. Jabu's here, right? We do that. Jabu, impulse install, guys. Let's see. Impulse. Let's see what's happening on 3 minute time frame. Is there anything on 3 minute? Nothing. Just this one impulse. Right here. Nothing on the side. 1 minute. Still there. We go. Let's see. Jabu, Jabu, Jabu. No, just Jabu in the chat. We forget about it, and that's it, man. That's it. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Otherwise, because the thing is, we can't talk every day about this, about someone, man. Like, guys, you like to bring the people up in the chat. It's either someone or someone. Let's leave the people. You see me, I don't like to talk about people. I don't want to talk about people. But that person you mentioned, nah, he did well for me, bro. He did good, bro. And people always have something to say about him, man. But I don't know how people, how did he crook people? I don't know if that person scammed people. I don't know. I don't know anyone he scammed, So honestly speaking, there we go, Jabo. Just come in, just come in, please. Which pays us? Okay, this is gold. We're waiting for a nice impulse to the downside. This is gold right now. Let's see on we are trading gold and we trading Nasdaq. Nasdaq is breaking the highs right now. It's at the high, but we're waiting to see how this also acts on. Yeah. Okay. So this is basically gold. US30. We're looking at US30 as well. US30 had a nice rejection over there. So the first rejection. Now we're looking for some sort of entry. If it's an entry, maybe for the downside. We had one push, we had a slowdown push, and then we had these bullish candles and some three candles in a row. So it's a bit confusing over there. But on gold on side, gold, we're looking for a partial sells on gold to the downside, but the impulse looks like it's going more to the upside actually than to the downside. So we have to just wait and see because right now we're not getting our trade as we want it to be. Is a very is a man. I learned a lot of concepts, but I blowed my account. It's we all blew account, bro. Like honestly speaking, don't worry. Like guys, just help him. Let him know. You need some guidance, right? Let him know how many of us blew accounts before. Like just be honest. I blew account. Like I blew multiple accounts before, and there's it's literally part of trading. It's part of trading. Like you're gonna blow accounts, and it's again I don't want you to give up on training. Don't stop. Here we go. Like you see, same day. Like we all in the same boat. We've blue accounts before. You lose, but the thing is, don't stop. It does pay off. This thing does pay off. It does pay off. Like I promise you, it does pay off. It's the craziest industry because one moment you can be losing, the next moment you can find consistency very quick. You know what I mean? So it just comes with like you see how we're waiting, patiently waiting. It comes down to these things, patiently waiting. So still impulsing. I'm think I'm on a 50 minute right now, 5 minute time frame. There's a slowdown, but we have to watch how this candle. Let's see if it's a candle right here from this point in time that can give it to us. So it's part of the game. I blow a couple of counts. Shaquel recovered from fire he lost. Yeah, that was also that. Yeah, I mean I posted that was I actually posted that well, goal is a wild pay. Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, took 900 to 100 to 900 and blew it. Yo, that is not nice. Not a nice feeling. I know that when we blow it, it's normal. Like Gareth will say to us, is grow or blow. You know, I've blown 1 million and trillion accounts, and 6 years later, I'm still here. My gosh. Oh my god, no ways. You guys are killing me. Oh, ways, no ways, no ways. Look, the thing is, you can look at. I watched the video of a reel, and the reel said this. The reel said this. The guy's like, don't say you're a trader. Don't say you're a trader because you have him, he's got a payout. Don't say you're a trader because you just blow the accounts. You are the liquidity to the market. When they ask what you do, you say you provide liquidity. And bro, this guy, he literally said, and then think about it, right? When someone meets us, you just say, I'm a trader. Just say it, I'm a trader. Regardless of what happens, say I'm a trader. Don't tell him you're a trader. Just say I provide liquidity. Tell the guy says, I provide liquidity. I refuse to give up. It will work. If you believe without regret, it will happen. Yeah. Bro, don't be like these NFP trades in SA. Go for margin. Yeah. I think that is the main key part. Besides all jokes, actually, see if you take this trade, right? You don't want to be taking 1,000 rand and risk 1,000 on this trade because your account is 1,000 rand. You want to be having a lower risk. So, for instance, today we have prop firms. You can trade prop firms. So, for instance, prop firms on the other end, allows you to take trades, of, let's say, of how do you say, of small money, and you buy a big account. You can take a small one and take a big account. So that's why I say, like, rather have a prop firm than rather have personal account. Because let's say we've taken this trade, right, and you risk $1,000 or 1,000 rand, your account has been blown away. But if I take 1,000 rand, I buy myself a $50,000 of, I mean, $50,000, $5,000 account, and then I can take 1% risk here, but I will still have more trades to take. I just lost 1%, and that is fine. You get what I'm saying? So, and that way you won't feel stressed like you see when we're waiting for a trade like this. Now you're like, okay, I want to get it, I want to get it, and I must get it right on that specific trade. You're going to feel pressured because right now you must get the specific trade right. Does that make sense? So, again, all jokes aside, it's very true what you guys are saying. Um, bro, your trades need stops. Yes, I'm waiting for impulse to the downside. There's no impulse yet to the downside. I want to see if we get an impulse to the downside. That's what I'm looking for trades. So if I'm gonna get in a trade, I'm gonna take a trade when it gives an impulse. So when I was looking, when the trade comes up here, I look for impulse. So you can see that's why I'm saying that every time the market goes, basically, like, say like that, there was no impulse in down. So the market goes down, I put it here rather. I'm waiting for a trade. Let's say I throw some impulse here, market goes to rejects. So I go here, market rejects, nothing is impulsing. So here the market impulses. That's why I say you have to just wait for impulse. I did not take a trade yet, guys. So I will tell you guys, when I take a trade, I'll say I'm taking the trade right now. I didn't take any trade. I say I want to see the market go down from here. So meaning when it goes, of course, I must remove these things for you guys so you guys don't get confused. But I will tell you guys, take a trade. Right here, market just going down, going down, going down. It's not doing what I want. So basically, what I'm looking for is basically that. Say now, I showed it here. Impulse. When it closes out, the impulse is out. I can go now get entries to the downside. Same thing here. Let's say here we have a range. Okay, here's a range. There we go. The market impulse out. Now I can go look for trades to take it to the downside. So right here we have the range. Market doesn't give impulse down. It just goes impulse up. So technically I can't take a trade just like that. Doesn't make sense. So basically when I'm waiting, that's why I say people just listen and don't just jump in the trade. When I say, okay, if I put a thing, I think I'm not gonna put this. If I put a thing on like this, doesn't mean just get in a trade and just take a trade. Don't get it wrong, guys. Because in the day, I'm waiting for something to happen in the market. Like I can't just take a trade here. I'm gonna show you guys again. I did show you guys. I'll show you guys again. So let's go to a different one. We didn't take it. So let's see previously. Here we go. So 9 o'clock kicks open, eh? 9 o'clock opens, boom, they're pushing. So market's in the 50% equilibrium. So let's go here. This is a good example. Let's go through here. Market comes to 50% equilibrium. So now we're like, okay, it's slowed down. Here's a very important part, guys. Let's look at this. Back there. What just happened right now? Oh, there we go. So you can see market comes in. Let's look at how this actually goes up. So we have a complete range, right here we have a range. Nothing of it is impulsing out as of yet. That there impulses beautifully above. Now you can look for trades basically. You understand? You maybe can go on a lower time frame or stay on this time frame, but you can go on a lower time frame, 3 minute, 1 minute, and also on, and you look for your trades now from here to take it to the upside, for example. That's what I'm trying to say. You see, basically. So that's how I click it. So now the same thing would happen right now. The market broke above impulsively right here on the 50-minute time frame, and now I'm gonna look for, okay, if it broke impulsively up, I'm gonna look for a trade from here to the upside. Does it make sense? I hope it makes sense now, so that people don't like misinterpret what I'm trying to explain, because a simple thing can make you lose money. I told you guys about being focused. So let's be patient. I'll tell you guys when I'm taking my trade. I'll say I'm taking my trade. Let's keep it at, I'll say I'm taking my trade now, and then I take a trade. Okay, so still waiting. Let's see, we have the impulse right here. We have impulse, we have this area right here which we're looking at right now. This is a range which just broke out of on the 5 minute time frame, which is quite clean. You can see right here market broke this range right now. So can we get a trade from here going up? So I'm looking, if I can get a trade somewhere here for a trade back up into the daily highs, that would be good. So coming down here, I need a slowdown candle, then I'm taking a trade up. Okay guys, that's what I'm looking for. So it's either was going to be here, or it's going to be market actually breaking all the way back down. Then I'm going to have to just look for trade back here again down. So just by being patient. Also, let's hear from our trader what he has to do. I'm ready. Also, let me know if you're ready. Okay, we're gonna get our partners on board. He has a trade as well. Is it almost like the precision box? Yes, it's the precision. It is the precision box, man. It's technically the precision box. So it is the precision box. I always teach you precision box. There's it again. It goes up. When it pulses, you get a pulse entry. You get a conservative entry. Impulse entry, conservative entry. Okay. So that's what we're looking at, guys. So I'll just make sure everyone understands that. Don't lose sight. It is the impulse entry. Yo, I sent my account stats on Discord for you before that account live. I've lost about 300 accounts and now in one plus account, so I'm glad I did not stop trading. Wow, I'm gonna check it out. I'm in on a sell on, man. Let's take a moment for Gareth, you guys, right? Gareth says, yo, I remember the time I left my job and sold my car to trade full time, and you can guess who won and who lost. I had no car, no job, and no account to trade. Oh, that should be stressful. Oh my god, that must be so fucking stressful, bro. That must be so fucking stressful. Honestly, that must be really stressful. Let's look at, someone says he's on a goal, is a US30 as a sell. Let's look at US30 if it's a sell perhaps on, because I see someone says there's a trade on US30. So let's look if US30 is the one, guys, because we waiting still for this one. Jeez, 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 jeez. G's, G's, G's. These G's ain't it. This is definitely flipping a trade, bro. This was definitely a trade, but okay, fine. We missed it. We missed him. You know, some goes, some you win some, you lose some. You know, you win some, you lose some, you you miss some. It's totally normal. So it's fine. I guess it's fine. We will catch it. We'll catch it. It broke below there, so let's look at it. We'll wait for it. We'll wait for it. Once I get a trade, we're gonna catch. Once I get a trade, we're gonna catch it, guys. Once we get a trade, we'll catch something, guys. I want to get our host along on. Maybe he also has a trade for you guys, so then you guys don't have to wait or so. So you can have me and him on. Let's hear from what he says. I'm gonna ask him right now if he has any what do you call it, any trade for us, and then I will let you guys know. Okay, so with that being said, let's see. I messaged him right now. I'm waiting for him to respond. Once he can let me know, and then we will have him also on board, then you guys can have him as well. trade until your last breath. The COVID happened. Yeah. So you trade gold, USD, and Nasdaq only. Yeah, mainly in the morning now, gold and USD mainly as well, but mainly USD in the afternoon because gold gives much more clean trades. So like you see right now, I'm looking at gold actually, and I want to see if gold actually will give me a trade. But at the same time, if USD does give me a trade, I will take that USD trade as well. Just depending on how it moves. So I might even gonna take a trade on USD right from this area here, because impulse. I mean, the 30-minute time frame is closing in 7 minutes. So you see how it rejected there, and there's a 30 minutes. If it closes below this, then I can probably look for a trade to the downside. You see into the low right here again. So where gold on the 30-minute time frame, it's just impulsing through. It's rejected, but on the lower time frame there was no impulse to the downside, like I explained yesterday on the YouTube video. We come there, it rejects, but there's no impulse to the to the downside. So right now you can see market just impulsing out there 6 minutes. Once it closes outside, I can decide, okay, now I'm gonna start taking trades up. Yeah. Where is our special guest today? I'm waiting for that special guest. He's probably like focused, man. He's focused. I'm asking him. Um, okay, I'm waiting for him to come if he's ready there as well, because he's having trades also. He's trading synthetic, so it'd be nice if we can give you guys a trade as well. Maybe provide you guys a trade in the meantime while we wait for our trade, because I want to make sure they message back. Okay, he's ready. Okay, okay. Let me send him a Zoom link. Okay, let's do that then. Mm, let's get him on board. I must create a Zoom link quick. Just gonna do a quick Zoom with him. Let's see. Give 1 second, guys. I'm adding our special guest onto the live right now. Let's add 1661. Let's add it. Where is this link? Copy link, and then we added him. We're adding the special guest right now. I think he has a trade, man. He said he's in a trade right now. So if we don't get a trade, at least we'll have a trade from him as well for all the synthetic traders. Gold. Still waiting on gold. Let's see. Still waiting. Okay, I sent it to him. There we go. I sent him. You'll join right now. You'll see him join right now. Um, let's see. The one thing about Nasdaq is, I mean US30. US30 is right back at the key area, so we want to watch out for US30 as well. US30 is back at the key area, so maybe US30 will be the trade for today then instead of gold. It came right back above it, so it's quite interesting to see. 30-minute, looking at 30-minute, it's rejected. 4 minutes still left for this candle to close, so you can see market came right back above. Interesting, failing to actually close below there. On gold, we can see gold we have still also 3 minutes like the same closing. If it closes above, we're gonna have to see what happens right here on this side. Hopefully we can get a trade on this side as well, because it's closing right impulsively above this. We're looking at kind of be probably same thing like yesterday. Impulse there, back down. That means it comes right into here and then back down in. Could also be happening. It all depends on what happens on the market right now. So we don't want to be uh, forcing it. But if you want, I can give a hyper scalp on the market. That's something else. I can definitely give a hyper scalp on the market, which is if we want, since the market retested here, we have a range here which we can use. And let's see if it joined right now. I think it joined. Not yet. Oh, there's he. Okay. Give a second. You will see now the guest is on joining right now, guys. The guest is joining. Um, Jev. Hey man, how you doing? How you doing?
Sorry, I should have put my music softer because it's a party this side. It's a party.
Is it a party? It's not copyright. It's a copyright music. It's a copyrighted music.
Yeah, yeah. So hear me out on that. Hear me
Mm,
out on that. I haven't fully made my watch hours as yet.
mm-hmm.
So um, making the best of it while I
Okay.
can play it. Before I get fully monetized. That's
Mm-hmm.
the only reason why I'm playing thingy.
Okay.
I'm just sorting out
Eh,
the layout quickly. But at least my camera is showing today. But other than that, guys,
Okay. Okay.
I just want to make
Let me
sure
add
that
you. Let me add you on. Let me add you. Um. Let me add you on the screen as well. And then we're gonna see quick. Let's see. Properties. There we go.
okay, something is wrong.
Let's see if this is gonna make sense. A sense. A sense.
Let me do this.
I'm gonna put my camera off, right? And then only put a speaker and pin you
Okay,
on my side.
okay,
Yeah.
sounds good, sounds good. Okay, so
Okay. And then put you on. Let's see. In the name of Jesus, we do
just let
this.
me know in the chat quickly. Our chat quickly. Let me know if you guys can hear Shaq.
Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can see Jevon right now. There we
Go,
go.
Martian idiot, Martian idiot,
Why was that?
Martian idiot. Shaq
Jevon,
is here with us, guys.
why? Jevon, I can see you. Can you see? Guys, can you see the? Can you see Jabu Jabu? Bro, they're calling you Jabu Jabu Jevon.
Jabu Jabu Jiven.
Yeah, they're saying welcome Jabu
Let
Jabu
me
Jevon.
see how it looks like on your side.
I can see you. I mean, I can see you on my side.
Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely.
Yeah. So now I
Can
can
you
just
guys chat?
and then when you want to share,
My chat. Can you guys hear Shaq?
yeah.
Shaq, maybe quickly do a mic test. One, two, mic test. One, two.
Okay. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Can you
Music.
can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I mean, I think I don't.
I think my chat's a bit slow sometimes, Shaq. I don't know. I don't know what's clapping.
Is your chat slow?
Yeah,
I'm gonna hook
like
you
they
up.
take long to respond sometimes. I don't know why.
Maybe it's not even. Maybe it's like delayed. Isn't it delayed like a few seconds or something like that?
Um,
You could check it out. Check it
yeah,
out.
it is late by a few seconds, but yo, bro, I don't
Okay.
know.
So
Guys, I don't know.
let me ask them if they can hear you. Okay, guys, can you hear Jevon? Um, yo, brother, Austin,
Okay,
the
Max says she can hear you. Okay, so that's good. That's good.
Jevon is
I
very
want
soft. They're saying
I'm
you,
very soft. Okay, let me
yeah.
turn up my mic once again. Okay, that should be much louder now.
Okay, let's hear what they say. Guys, can you hear Jevon before we
Loud and
start?
clear.
Not, no, not really. Are you using OBS? Yes, I'm using OBS. That's correct. Yes.
But yeah, man, Shaq.
Hey, broski.
Chad, please, like, let me just say this. Like, I'm a trader, okay? I'm a
Uh-huh.
trader. I
Mm.
don't. I'm an aspiring YouTuber. So soon, like, all this OBS, Streamlabs, all these technical things, like, it will
Yeah.
become second nature for all of us. So
I
yeah.
check if desktop sound is turned up. Yeah, desktop sound is turned up. His desktop sound is turned up. Yours is turned up. Yeah, even myself, I'm aspiring streamer. You know, I'm also like I think we can both speak about that. We're gonna and you guys are the start of very the angel investors in our stream. Basically, you guys are very important to us. You guys mean the world to us, and so we do apologize for any hiccups,
Cool, cool,
any
cool, cool, cool.
technical difficulties, any lags we're gonna get. Like this is all gonna come in. We're not gonna stop. We're gonna try because we're here for trading. That's why we spoke about Jevin. It's like people come for trading, but it's sometimes you guys also want to have at least a bit of quality so you guys can enjoy the trading right with us. So we apologize sincerely, and so Jevin, I'm gonna try to at least make your mic. I don't know how to make your mic. I did try to make your thing louder, but people still can't hear you on my side. Um,
Okay.
so
Um,
however, I do think probably what we can do is I'm thinking it's because we do need.
my thing is, the last time I put my desktop audio on,
Mm.
it echoed.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my only fear. Yeah, so also, what did I say now? Yeah, this morning, for instance,
Mm.
I wanted to stream. I set everything up on OBS, and then all of a sudden, my PC crashed.
Oh shit.
It didn't want to like, then I couldn't stream at all. And then it's like this whole thing of okay, setting everything up once again. But then here we are.
Okay, we yeah, bro. I know it's such a crazy. All the people are saying, bro, it's all good, no stress. Let's build on this journey. You know, the year we are to build
Lovely,
together,
man. Lovely.
and that's what I love about the communities. Is like they also understand. You know, they do understand. They're not just like, okay, just let's just give the stuff. It must be perfect. They also
Yeah.
love seeing that you be human, and we also being like organic and be natural. We're not like trying to keep a facade
Yeah,
on and say,
literally in
you
one
know,
of the books I'm sure we all have studied, Think and Grow Rich.
think and grow rich, yeah.
Napoleon Hill says the only people who never make mistakes are those who never try anything.
Yeah, someone Garrett says this is all teething issues, bro. It's you need to crawl before you can walk, and before you can walk, you need before you and walk before you run, and it's very true, bro. Like we all gonna look at this, Gareth. Like I know, like your people as well. They're gonna look at this, and we're gonna laugh. We're gonna look at it. And we're like, yo, look, bro, we've been like, you're gonna know the OG streamers, like people like the community members. You're gonna know who's the OG in the next 5 years, 3 years, 10 years from now. You'll be like, now, and we're all
It's
gonna
so
be
funny as you
together.
mentioned that. I saw a video on TikTok the other day
Yeah.
where it's like basically like a streamer talking about his journey, or like it's like a just like a little video with insight where it basically like shows like one viewer. There's this one guy's always there. He starts talking to him.
Mm.
He grows to like 1,000 people. He's always there as well. He's talking to him. Then he gets to the point where he's big, and then the same guy who was there since day one, all of a sudden like he never responded to his message in the chat, and he said basically, okay, I understand you're too big now, but then I
Uh,
don't believe that's ever gonna happen
nah,
as you grow. The thing
I
is like,
don't want that ever to happen, man. I don't want to lose
yeah,
the,
because we're not
the,
doing this.
no, I don't want to
I,
lose
I feel, I
humbleness,
feel,
bro.
I feel like that's a good way to say it. We're not doing this for clout. We're
Nah,
doing this for growth
yeah,
for
I want
all
to
of us.
grow. I want to grow, and I want everyone to grow. And that's how I always say I'll do this every day so that I can, I always feel like I'm part of like the cleansing the industry. I don't know if you feel a part of it. I feel like I'm part of the section of traders that came in, like who's tired of what Forex was really like made, man. Like the stigma it has, the way the culture around trading is. I was just tired of seeing that and then also being a bait or being a sheep by these people. They always see us as a flippin' sale or something like that. And I don't like that. And I don't like the untruthfulness that I have a lot there. So for me, it was like, even if I'm making 1,000 rand at that time, like 500 rand, 1,000 rand a day, I'm gonna speak about, look, I'm making 500, I'm making 1,000 rand. This is what I'm doing. You can't do it. Don't let them lie to you that and that. So for me, I feel as if, what, I use a stream platform to connect with community, to help them, inspire them to know that they can also do it themselves, because they like, I don't know, they might feel lonely when they like, or like scared, anxiety and stress when they trading alone. And then here's a platform where we can come together with the same beliefs, similar structure, similar goals in life, which is trading, bring it together, and we can all do it together, which
Yeah.
helps in build the other person's
I also believe
confidence.
that we are currently in this phase in life where I don't know if so. Cat Williams actually said this. This is the year of truth where things get exposed. And
Mm.
if I also look at society, a lot of people are starting to wake up. They're starting to realize
Yeah,
that you know
people.
maybe a job isn't like the only way out and so forth. And I think the
Mm.
exact same thing, that wave of like these false mentors that ran the industry for the past, like I would say, decade in South
Mm.
Africa,
Yeah,
that time is coming to an end now. It's time for a new wave of
of
traders
traders.
to actually lead the charge
Exactly, I agree
and
with
to
you.
set a new foundation for everything.
Like I can't disagree with you any further, and I think everyone can also agree with this, because you can see how people like now, like how I did that thing when I went in the street and I said, and I was showing people how they can verify a payout, you know,
Mm.
and a simple thing like that, and I said like, that is like a simple bound, like a standard that if you anyone I went in the public and I said, okay, just scan this thing and see if it's real. Now, that brought some sort of attention to people to let know, okay, if you want to like verify people's funded accounts or just scan the code, scan it and ask them like if they said I got a
Yeah,
payout from a platform, then ask them for the certificate. They should openly give it because there's nothing wrong. Even you made a five hundred
yeah.
dollars, if it's $200, it doesn't matter how
Yeah, I
much.
feel like also that's my thing. Like, if you're gonna be putting yourself out like that, oh, I made X amount of money,
Yeah,
you
then
need to
it's
be willing for people when they question
I
you
mean,
and
just give a thing.
your
Exactly. That's what I say. Like when
yeah,
if I say like, yo, I closed so much today, and on my platform I made so much, I'm getting a payout. I mean, okay, fine then. You said already you made so much money. They like you said, there shouldn't be a problem to just show me the certificate, right? It should be like, okay, here's a certificate to show me. So why is it the problem? And then it's like, oh no, it's private stuff, like it's I can't share
yeah,
these things. But okay, you just shared how much you made for the day. Why can't you just show your certificate? And that is what I was like. I think like people, like you say, people are getting awake right now. They're starting to realize, okay, you know what? They can get this things to verify if this person is really funded. They can see it if the person made to leaderboard or if the person is
yeah. Also,
lying.
like what I also have come to realize is like even just having conversations with some of these so-called mentors.
Mm.
If you really have a conversation about with them about like certain deep things, you can maybe start picking up like maybe this person isn't legit just by the way they can already, just by the way they speak already. But before we move forward, let me not leave this guy hanging. Lucretio, welcome, man. We have Shaq on the line. You're with us. This
Yeah.
will be happening much more often every morning. And yeah, bro, I made you a range yesterday, so you
Oh
will be
really?
noticed.
Oh, Umi?
Yeah, I made him a range. I
Oh,
have a lot of securities there in my chat. Yesterday, I had
really?
my first troll, and
Oh my
I was
gosh.
so proud of myself because like I remember what you said, and
Mm.
I didn't even get mad at the guy. I literally told him that, bro, like I don't even know if
We
you are trolling or whether you're trying to be funny.
we got a
But
troll
like,
also the other day. There was a trail like I don't know if you guys chat right. I don't know if you guys remember there was a chat like hey Kyle Bister, hope you're doing well, bless man. I'm enjoying PE. Yeah, I am enjoying PE. PE is quite nice actually. It's quite nice. It's actually it's not bad. It's not a bad place. It's actually a good. It's a nice place, right? But another thing like I don't know if you guys remember also I'm gonna call the Jabba Jabba chat. So Jabba Jabba chat, we got a troll coming in there, and saying like things like, "Oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. What is he doing?" And like he was just trolling, And I do understand that we put ourselves also on a social media platform, and
yeah,
um, very homely. Yeah, very homely. Someone's asking is P very homely. I'm like, it actually is very homely, man. It's really is actually very. It feels home, bro. The crazy part is, I was in Cape Town and I said, Cape Town is home, nah? But I was like, in Cape Town, I was like, I want to go back home. So he's like, where's home? I'm like, back home in P, man. I want to go back home, But coming back to that, yeah, bro. Like, I honestly think, where was I now? My mind just slipped, bro. I just lost my mind right now.
the trolls.
Troll, yeah. Troll came in, and then you know what? I just told the people like, there's a troll here, and they can even see it themselves, Like your community will see when someone is trolling. Like I know, like I'm sure you know everyone who's joined regularly, right? You will get new people that joins on, and you're gonna get everyone as they come regularly. Especially you won't know everyone because not everyone is watching live, is chatting. Only the ones that you can,
Yeah, yeah, that's
you
very true. Sometimes you have a new name pop up and you're like, welcome.
yes, but
When did you join us? Oh no, I've been watching.
yes, exactly. So the ones you will really have, and the truth is, you will really, really have a deeper connection with is the ones who's actually more active in the chat. You find yourself like really building this image in your mind. Like I haven't met Mandala, I haven't met Mr. 3685, and you can say him on your side. You've probably seen a lot of people you maybe never met before, but just the name and then what they chat, how they chat, and then you put this
Yeah, like
image in their
they
mind.
come onto the stream and you see them greet you that day. It's like, ah, you're here again. Like
Yeah, you like
it's so
welcome.
exciting, man.
Yes, and it's like you build this like relationship with them, and how do you feel when you're not streaming and then you like kind of miss them, like you miss this community, you miss the community, like
True.
like you
And I
have this
think like
thing.
that also is small reminders that like you shouldn't take a community for granted. You also said
Mm,
something now about the trolls. Like we put ourselves out there,
mm,
and that's also something that has played in my mind very often. You must know Mo who works at the office at
mm.
Candlestick.
Yeah.
He basically told me one time as well, like, Jabin, you have to understand that you guys are putting yourselves out there
Mm.
What do you expect? There's
Mm.
literally thousands out there. So you can't per se get mad at these people.
I agree with him.
But yeah, man, I've come to realize also what I said yesterday. Like, we don't know what they're going through in their life for them
Yeah.
to go to that extent. The only thing we can do is show love to them and show them that, like, yo, if you really need help, like, you don't have to do this. I can actually really help you.
No, definitely. Javen, do you have it? Are you in any trade this morning? Are you in any trade this morning actually?
Yeah. So we took a trade on.
Do you wanna perhaps you
We
wanna
took a
do
trade.
you wanna showcase your screen on my side? Then you can if they wanna show.
Yeah, we can do
Okay.
that. Let me.
Okay, then let me fix it on my side then. Okay, allow. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna
All good.
fix it on my side so you can actually see it properly. Um, yeah, you can share screen.
Okay. Gooi it quickly.
I'm gonna fix it on my side.
So we basically entered a sell here on boom 500. We entered right over here. Ran into profit. We ran about just over 10 minutes straight. It is
Mm,
stop minus 10. And then we took another entry over here on boom 500. We're actually about to go break even over here as well. This is our second trade for the
mm.
stream. And then this is a trade we sent out with our members last night. We entered right over here. In break even, we were up about 60 pips, but we're still holding, going for that ultimate target. This is a 1 to 5. Um, but
So
yeah,
so
for now, we're just trying to wait to take a break even.
you in a trade on boom 300 right now,
Yeah.
and you in for sales there. Okay, and you waiting for anything else?
What else on the table? Let me see quickly. We have this V10 over here. So what I want to see now happen first is just double
Ish,
check it.
we need to find another. Sorry to cut you off. We need to find a way, nah?
Mm.
Maybe that we can stream on YouTube together because the thing is, they still can't hear you. They like they can barely hear you. They're saying, uh,
Really is it?
yeah.
Imagine, man.
I just want to mention, hey camera, Kenna, I remember you won the 1K on. You said you won the 1K on our IG when I gave the 1,000 ran away.
Okay.
Recently, yeah, his camera didn't work, man, but he's joining in as well. Amazing.
Oh, lovely,
Yeah.
lovely.
Yeah,
Okay.
listen, yeah.
I must just talk a bit louder. Hey guys, what do you guys think?
Like, yeah,
Yeah.
listen, yeah. It says trolls are bum holes. Listen, trolls are bum holes.
Yo,
We.
that's very loud.
Oh, that's very loud. Yeah, yeah. I can hear you. I'll let you know if it's loud.
That is too loud.
Check here. No?
For me and you who's listening right here, it's too
I-
loud.
Listen here, bro.
Yeah.
Listen. Trolls are bum holes. We will evict them from the Jabu Jabba. Trolls are bum
Chat
holes.
also says,
Oh my
chat
god.
also says, I'm screaming to the mic. So you
Yo,
guys can hear me.
cuz you can read my chat as well. You can read it as well. You can see it.
Yeah, I'm reading both
Okay,
my
okay.
chat and your chat.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm trying to find a way. How you reading both chat, bro?
Two monitors.
I have two screens, but still not doing it. Wait, why is my thing?
Yeah, so the chart on the one monitor, so this is where like all the trading happens, and this side is like the music, the sounds, the
Okay,
stream, the chat, everything else.
I feel you.
But
Okay,
hopefully the chat, as long as they can see my levels, they can more or less have an idea of what we are looking at.
uh,
So we're looking
we're
for
gonna have
quite a few pairs,
we're
quite
gonna
a
have
few
to
pairs.
just make this as much as possible. Can you chat? Your chat can't see
Yeah.
my screen, right?
So quickly, my chat.
Mm,
Let's go break even.
okay.
Bread flow, yes. Bread, you're welcome, man. Long time, long time. And yes, me and Shaq are co-streaming, bro.
Yeah, we co-screen.
Hopefully soon, very very
We'll
soon,
have
it will not
office.
just be like him there and me here, but we'll be
Yeah,
closer to each other.
yeah, we're gonna be soon. God is gonna bless us, bro. God is gonna give us a strength. Where we can help have offers where you guys can all come in and you guys will have access to it, and there's no choice. It's not gonna be like, okay, come here. Before you can come, you must pay. You must come in to pay to come in the office.
Yeah.
No, fuck that shit. You can come in.
The only thing I would
Mm.
say at the office to obviously keep order would be the point
Yes,
of
no,
price because
of
we
course.
can't overflood the office.
Yo, you see hundreds, 200 people drumming. We're gonna trade with you in person today, guys. And I'm like, "Guy, we don't have enough space. We just have us two. We have an extra chair, one chair. Who's gonna go? One chair at the back there, guys. I'm actually looking at gold. I was looking for gold for possible sells.
So Brett, Shaq,
Yeah,
Brett says Shaq must make sure he has audio source on his OBS
yeah,
turned
I have audio
Yeah,
source on.
I think
I have it on actually. Yeah, it is
as
turned up.
auto
Y- on OBS.
as auto capture
Aye.
as auto capture.
Audio, audio capture. Yeah, I got the audio thing on. So
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, but it, man, it's just like small things, man, that like literally
I
can
think
make
what's gonna
you
happen is,
take
nah,
time.
is that we need to like really have a day where like testing out streaming, but we
Yeah, we're
should
just
like,
switching things up and down.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah, we
think
should really do that because, like, for instance, this morning I was like, why can't I
we need the
like just
Johnsons
pick
and
everything up?
people.
Remember, I still sent you a
We,
video last and said telling you I figured it out. I turned my
yes,
camera on.
yes, I know, bro.
And this morning, when when everything was lagging and started crashing, the only thing I had to do was change from streaming through my graphics card to my motherboard.
Mm,
That's the only difference I had to do. And then now everything is like
perfect.
small things like that, man.
Yeah, someone is asking me. Let me just check up. Also, okay, I wanna just also, we don't wanna also not check our chats, bro. Check our chats out. We have to. Um,
Yeah,
let's see. We need Johnsons for the pooples.
slide in.
Oh,
But yeah, Bray, didn't you also say you're coming to PE?
yeah.
You're coming to PE and you didn't let me know.
And we have Shaq. Can you tell us about? Someone's asking about something. I don't know. No? Do you like to talk about like a paid community? I don't. I don't know. I don't like to. I don't like to talk about it on the stream for some reason. Like I don't know. How
I
do you?
would say I would I would only I would only talk about it per se if people want to know about it, if they're like, what does it entail? Then I would
Okay.
literally share my screen and I would show them how the community looks, what they get, and so forth.
Okay. So someone's
Um,
asking me, Shaq, tell us about or show us a little about your paid community and what's the difference between the paid and free. So it's very simple. Like some Kyle Beast is asking, it's now very very simple. That I have a my single group, right, which is I trade every single day. My US30, I give every day trade out there. That's the one thing. In the New York time, I trade with them mainly. My main pair, which is US30, and also with my US30 course, I teach him my private strategy or my personal strategy, which I don't teach in on here, which is something that I don't show everywhere on the free community. So, and then the paid community gets every Sunday. We have webinars to prepare for the week, and then also started with midweek as well. You have calls with me. So basically, I can have one-on calls with the paid community members. I have calls with them, help them personally with this with the journey, and it's just like a more of a network of where you have a personal relationship with me. A more private one-on-one personal relationship. I think that's more what it is about. So I will help you with the journey one-on-one. So if you tell me, look, I'm trying to like, remember this morning I told you about that, nah? Where you said I was celebrating. I was so happy with with that student that passed, that's passing the accounts and that the funded accounts.
oh
Like
yeah,
that's the example what is a paid person is that he's not from he came from a free group, but then he's like, okay, let me join your mentorship. And when he joins the mentorship, it's like eventually like that paid way I can have calls. Like I had a call with him this morning for 30 minutes, bro. 30-minute call off, no one, just me and him, and we have a call and he's like he wants to share like how amazing he is um this thing that he passed, and I helped him with that passing that thing. So that is the main thing about that. So it's about, so more direct access instead of just being a number. Not actually that, not even,
yeah. I think
it's not even
some people
mm,
misunderstand what they actually pay for.
yeah,
You literally pay for your time
yeah, you pay
because the
I
thing
think
is like,
someone Kyle business says you give more direct access instead of just being a number. It's not even that, we don't see anyone here on as a number. No one is a number. Behind this number, it is a human, and therefore we have much more of a personal relationship with every one of them. Like you see, like I'm talking about Gareth. Gareth is in my community right now. My strategy, he's seen, for example, my strategies, like the IP strategy. It's like sometimes our trades tend to be the same the same direction on US30, for example, right? And a strategy itself works so good. It's very, very good. It's about the strategy and then the mentorship of that, you know. It's the actual mentorship, not just saying, okay, guys, we're trading here. This is actually when you go through hurdles, there's someone here that's been through it to guide you through that thing, you know. So, if you never made 200 to 300,000, or like say, if it's 100,000 a month on a monthly basis, then it's basically you want to learn from the person how you do it, what do you
Absolutely.
do.
See what Shaq's saying, because you can study as much as you want.
Mm-hmm.
You can study as much as you want, but if you don't have the right guidance, it's not going to make sense. Like a good
Mm.
example, some people find this hard to believe. When it came to my mentor,
Mm-hmm.
I did like 2 sessions with him,
Mm-hmm.
2 sessions, and I didn't need a session again. And everything I've studied, it just fell into place like that, because someone was able to actually say, okay, but Jeff, take a step back. Look at it like this. Look at it like this. Look at it like this.
Mm.
And
And it's just those things that
yeah,
help,
man.
bro. It
It's never
helps a lot.
overlooked.
I think in because of like the experience of people having not good mentors. That's why. You know, I'm looking at gold right now, bro. I'm looking at gold. Nah. Gold is coming into a key area for me. It's coming
What do you
back
have
to.
in your trade today?
We were looking for a sell on gold at Asian highs, no, but we didn't get the impulse for the sell to the downside, so we were waiting for it. Then the market
Okay.
is above Asian high, so you can see, if you can go on your chart, you can probably see it on your chart, right?
When you say a pulse, you
Impulse.
mean like kind of like a shift out of the zone, right?
Yeah, a massive bullish or bearish candle away from that
Okay.
area.
Okay.
So,
So
uh,
even like that, ne, like is a
mm,
very good example
mm,
how like you would call like a pulse. Some people would call it a shift. Some
mm,
people would call it a, displacement. Some would
mm,
say it's an imbalance. Some
yeah.
call it a fair value gap.
You know what? I was
Yeah.
talking about that now. Now, someone asked what strategy you use. No, I tell him I use everything, everything. If I see it's like at the Asian high, it's important to me. It can also be a same Asian high can be like a liquidity area. It can be like a resistance. It can be like, you know what I mean. Like it can be like a important area for someone else as a fib maybe. All of it, you just need to tune in and be in a zone in the market, and what makes sense to you, take advantage of it.
Yeah.
You see,
It's perception. It's perception,
yeah.
literally.
So
It's like that thing at school where they tell you, oh no, you must do the formula by the book, otherwise you're wrong. But if the other formula that's not by the book works for you, like it's the exact same thing with trading. Like it's as long as you get to your answer, your approach
mm,
doesn't per se matter, as long as it's a mechanical approach. Brett, sorry man, I mean to respond to you. It's okay. I completely understand. I completely understand. But let me know when you come through again. We have a lot of things to discuss.
yeah.
And also, please, if you can, please check your Telegram. I ask you for something.
I want to see if I get a trade, bro. I'm looking for gold. I'm looking at gold right now. The thing is, I'm looking for if gold can probably give me like a trade on the Asian high, bro. Like
Okay, so Shaq's looking for sales.
I was looking for sell. The thing is, I'm very, you know, I don't know if this makes sense. I'm trying to explain when people say, "Oh, do you look for sell, look for buy?" I'm like, I'm a non-biased trader. In the moment, I will be like, okay, if market does this, I will take the buy.
Oh, so
If
as
more,
my mentor taught me, instead of predicting,
yeah,
react while trying
I
to
react.
predict.
Yes, someone told me that also, bro. My ex mentor told me that don't be a predictor. Don't predict the market. Rather
Yeah,
react to the price. So for me, it's like what you just said right now. I will like right now. I'm waiting. Right? I'm like, okay, if mark comes here, it needs to do certain things in order for me to take the buy. But in order to take a sell, it needs to do these things. Yeah.
yeah. I think some people really think it's like I don't know how to what word to use, but like if you look at the trade, like because you've traded the market for so long, you've back tested, you've journaled, whatever.
Mm.
If before you take a trade, even like right now when where price is,
Mhm.
we have an anticipation
Mhm.
what price wants to do. Even if we are wrong, but we want to have anticipation at all times
Mm.
based on that.
No, definitely.
Yeah, but
I agree with you.
yeah,
So yeah, man. Like I'm just waiting right now. Honestly, just waiting to see what's happening right now. Because the thing is, market like on for instance on US30, it's looking very choppy. That you saw as well. US30 looks very choppy. It's not so clean, so uh, so demure, if you could call that. For me, it's very very choppy. Like right now on the 5 minute, and it it just looks choppy, you know. And then Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq has a nice. The thing about Nasdaq, Nasdaq dropped out nicely. Nasdaq is dropping. Nasdaq dropped nice. So I don't. I'm looking at probably Nasdaq could probably be a trade to trade back up into the Asians. Do you, I don't know if you see, if you look at just,
Yeah,
do
let
you
me
see it?
look at that as well. I
N-
think I have a similar outlook.
Yeah, look for a buy probably
I
like
have a
up.
similar
I'm
outlook.
thinking for like probably a buy on Nasdaq into so
Yeah, it also broke my supply, so it seems like
is it,
demand's in control.
yeah, so probably like
Yeah,
a buy up, that's what I'm looking for right now, is to see if we can get a buy. Maybe I'll get a buy on Nasdaq up. It can probably could be a trade. It's the most cleanest right now because we broke out so clean, soup, and now I'm seeing maybe a trade back up. The thing with USDT, it's just ranging. Gold on the other end, it's broke up, and now I'm also at a very important area. So it's gonna be either gold or Nasdaq. One of these two, I'm gonna get a trade on. Yeah.
I see, I see.
hmm But I'm just waiting on it though.
Yep. Yeah, for us, we're just waiting for us to go to TP now,
Okay.
and then most likely, oh, guys,
Yeah. Okay.
we already took two trades now. We're not gonna push a third one, guys, but as you guys can see, if we did enter here, we would have been blue right now, but I'm not gonna take it. Not gonna take it, guys.
Sam says he's on a sell on Dex. Let's see. Oh, the Dex was also clean for Dex was also clean though for sells on it. The Dex, okay, got a clean sell down though. Quite interesting to see it actually push very nicely down. Hmm. We're gonna see how this goes. Just gold. Gold had a nice drive all the way up, bro. When it has such a push, then you know that when the London session has a big move, Jevin, I don't know if you feel the same about this. Let me know. When London session has a big training move, New York is gonna be more or less ranging. It's not as gonna be as big as,
Yeah.
yeah.
So my mentor taught me like, oh well, based on the market maker method,
Mm,
they taught I was taught that based on liquidity and
mm,
regulation, they can only move the market X amount of pips per day
mm.
because otherwise, like, it's messing up with economies and
Yeah,
things like that, you
there we
know.
go. 100.
And they also said that a session won't move one direction,
Mm.
or a trade won't move one direction 3 sessions in a row. So, for instance, if you have a ranging session, the third one will consolidate. So Asia looks like it ranged.
So it's like
London
it's
ranged.
basically like it's like
Asia
the,
extended.
the
London finished
theory
strong. New
behind
York is gonna have consolidation.
it's like the theory behind what I thought about, like how I trade. I think of like accumulation and distribution. So my trade ideas are all based more is on market actually accumulating, manipulating it, and then actually distributing it. So when I think
Yeah,
about,
like for instance,
mm,
where if like for instance the way I see gold now,
mm,
if gold, it's almost okay, it's almost 12 now. If like gold's kind of pushing down a bit, if it like pushes down a bit more and
mm,
ranges from there into New York, most likely in my book, what I'll see happen is maybe then a sweep of London highs,
mm,
some type of pullback before further buys towards the upside.
okay, I see. But you probably can have like a pullback, a little bit, a pull, like a pullback in a little bit into Asian, like into Asian something, maybe
Yeah,
even into equilibrium, bro. And then some, or before the equilibrium, it's this back up again. It goes up all the high. But
yeah.
I'm gonna,
I'd say it's interesting to see how
yeah,
how trade synthetics.
yes, he wants to see how you trade synthetics, bro. Don't you want to show them a bit of a chart, bro? I will keep show you a bit, show charts a
Yeah,
bit. You can like
I can.
just they want to just actually I think they're very interested in it because remember like we don't even look at synthetics, bro, at all. So it's gonna be our
Yeah, I
very
can show
first,
you guys my
yeah, like,
favorites as well.
yeah, bro. Like, let me. I will just once the trade is ready on my side. Let me just inform them quick. So, traders, once the
Yeah.
trade is ready on my side, I will inform you guys, and then Jevon will just give the screen back, and I can show you guys the trade on my side. Okay, so I'll give the screen over to Jevon in the meantime. Okay, so let's do that, bro. You can take fourth broski.
Okay, is it live?
Yeah, he's live. You can share your screen.
Okay, so initially
No,
this was
no, no. The
all
screen is not.
slightly
I
red.
can't. I can't see the
Okay,
screen. Ne? You must share.
um,
You must share the screen. That makes sense.
I did share.
Are you sure? I don't see it.
Yeah, I did select share screen.
Let me see quick. Show Javin. Oh, there we go. Nice. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, cool, perfect. There we go. Let's open this nice and big for them. Or let's fit this to the screen.
Ah,
Order.
there we go.
Let me fit it to the screen, eh? Just quick. How do I flipping fit this to the screen now? Scale. Fit to scale. I will. How do I make the size again? Right. Transform. Fit the screen. There we go, June. It should be right now.
Okay, lovely. So initially, guys, like I live by a very simple rule. It's the Asian box. The Asian box tells me so much about the day's manipulation. This box, because the market is fractal, if you take it a bit further, you can also find an Asian box for the week. And then I also use the weekly Asian box to basically determine direction for the week. With that said, I didn't implement structure and a few other concepts which I've been taught by my mentor. But but so main things is I use supply and demand, the Asian range, market structure, and then I use some ICT concepts here and there. Now initially I only trade crash, boom, and range break. They my babies. Now I only sell boom and I only buy crash.
Yeah,
The reason for that is if we go to like a chart here real quick, I'll show you guys in the 1 minute. I'm not sure how many of you guys have seen synthetics as yet.
they say they can't hear you, bro, for some reason.
That's actually my troll over there. That guy who calls himself market maker.
Is he a troll?
I see he came to my chat as well. He was there yesterday. That's the guy from yesterday.
That rapper. What?
And yeah, it's okay. It's
Let's
okay.
let's just
Um, yeah, it's all love for him.
okay.
So
Let's do it.
initially, if
Yeah.
you guys look at the chart itself, and then basically what happens is you have all these big spikes towards the downside, but then you have slow moves towards the upside. So I can tell that every time I have a spike towards the downside on crash, every time I have a big spike down, I will always have some sort of slow movement towards the upside. If I can wait out all the spikes basically, so for instance, like this over here, I waited for all the spikes to basically pan out with my market structure. I simply just waited for price to trade up towards the upside. So that is one way I look at it, and then I use a inverse fair value gap in
Mm.
most cases to enter
Okay. So you.
in correlation with institutional levels, sometimes a fib. It all depends. It all also depends on the market conditions because the thing is, the river is the market maker.
Mm.
It's completely different to forex, So it's like, yeah, like I've traded them for so long. I've seen things happen so much. It's like it's difficult to describe it unless you actually traded them. So a good example here as well with crash. I was keen to buy over here at this orange line. So there I traded up. Initially I'm looking for sells. So my simple rule is I see the so remember what we spoke about now the AMD accumulation
Mhm. Mhm.
distribution.
Mhm.
So my Asian box, I always see my Asian box as my accumulation box. So
Mm.
I don't know if you have noticed this. Whenever price breaks above the Asian box
Mhm.
for the session, let's say London, New York, it will most likely trade back towards the box.
Mm.
Or if it breaks below the box, it will most likely always trade back up towards the other box, for instance. So you'll see, for
Mm.
instance, yeah. Now, obviously, it won't happen every single day, but here's an example. Yesterday, broke above, we hit a 20 pip stop, then we hit a 100 pip TP above the
Mm.
box. You'll see over here as well, if we go a bit back, okay, we haven't traded in quite some time here, but you'll see the same thing over here. This day, okay, price traded below, but initially you can see buys came through this day as well. Price broke above the Asian box, a nice move down. You can look at some more examples over here. Yesterday we looked for buys over here at this level, but we missed this trade. But as you can see, below the box came into the demand, nice entry to the upside. If we did take it, that would have been a stop loss. Good example again is this trade we took here on boom. So the Asian box is actually right over here. I didn't mark it out because I just marked out the supply, the supply, the fair value gap. And on crash and boom, sometimes I don't wait for confirmation. I just wait for prices to tap a zone and let it run because sometimes they can move with one tap, for instance. Here you can see once again price breaks above the Asian box, and I'm looking for sells back into the box basically. So it's a 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, it goes a lot more deeper than that, but that's a very simple way I can explain it. Supply and demand, inverse fair value gaps, market structure, and
Mm.
The Asian box and institutional levels.
Okay. Of course, they need to like. Of course, it comes with experience. Because if someone's brand new, they're gonna feel lost. They're gonna be like, "Yo, what is this?" They're gonna be like, "Yo, it's a lot." I can imagine for a newbie, they might feel that. But again, that means just take it step by step. And as you join the streams daily, you will learn more daily as time goes on. So I always tell them also with me, um, it's the same thing with you, like how you say, just slowly, gradually, you will get to understand our training styles. It's just that as you join every day, don't join one day and the next day, yeah, I'm lost. You're not lost, Nas. Just the thing is, remember, he's just showing you a bit of a like. I understand you say you're lost. I can't say you're not lost. You might just feel a bit of confused. Yeah, you can't say Gareth is lost. I mean,
Yeah,
like, you might just feel a bit confused because like, it's maybe something new, and he spoke it very fast, maybe because he's used to it. But if you had to sit down and actually teach it, it will make more
that's
sense.
actually like that's literally why my course is so long. Like in my course, for instance, there's a section literally on the Asian box, and we only cover the Asian box like 30 minutes, and I explain exactly
Listen what he
why this
says.
box is so
He
important,
says,
and I show so
I
many examples that why
check
this
it.
box is well.
He says, listen,
Okay,
sorry to cut you. What he says, yeah, I'm used to gambling synthetics. He's like, fuck this shit. I'm gonna gamble it. One, two, three, let's go. Jump, jump,
yeah,
jump, jump,
I will
jump,
say
jump,
some
jump,
of the
jump.
guys kind of run their broker like a gambling site because there's actually an option on the rev site
Yeah.
where you can do multipliers
What?
if you trade. Yeah, you can do multipliers. Now, I've never tried them. I've never tried them. Um,
I'm looking.
yeah,
I might get a trade on gold right now, man. It's at the Asian high actually on it. So I wanna watch this area right now actually. So I'm gonna just show them this quick what I'm looking at quick, nah. Okay,
all good, all good.
let's do that. Okay, let's do that also.
Hey, Dylan, welcome, man. Long time, welcome.
Yeah, let's focus on this one. Javen. There we go. Yo, Javen weg. Javen, you went gone now for a moment there, bro. You went missing action over there, huh? Is he weg with Javen? Um, let's see charts. There we go. Nice and clean. So right now, actually, we were waiting for the market come back to this area, man. So if you look at a 30 time frame, you can see the candle officially closed above that area bullish. Now with that being said, there's two things can happen. The first thing is you can actually, like I said, come back to here, then I can just get a continuation up for this into the daily level right there, just for a quick scalp up, or we're gonna get the pushback again down, right? So, but that's where it comes on. We go on a lower time frame, like a 5 minute actually, or 3 minute, or 1 minute, to get that direction actually right now. So, with that being said, the first thing I'm watching out is how the market reacts over here right now. We have the mini range happening right here. We have this entire range right here, but I'm watching out this little bit of a range right here. So I just want to see how I'm taking a bit of impulse entry. I'm gonna take a bit of an impulse entry today, just to catch this trade. So you can see, I don't know if you see Jiven, like what I like to see is the market in pushes up, and then you can see how market pushes down and actually like a failure. I don't know if you see structure like that. So I see structure like where market goes up, down, and then up, but then you can see market here actually like trying to like failing to go up. So that
So
mm,
kind of like it might be I might be wrong, but kind of like you want to see them sweep. Okay, so now
yeah,
sound such an ICT trader,
but say
but sweep liquidity basically.
yeah, see liquidity. Yeah, you can say exactly. I
Okay.
mean, that's in the wrong. Just he didn't create it, man.
No, no, I'm just saying,
But
if you will attack people with like ICT, you wanted gold, you
yeah,
wanted gold.
I know, bro. I know they on that guy. But honestly, I think from this point in time, I do probably want to see. um, maybe this section continue going down. Maybe if it's impulsing down one more time, close out, then I'm gonna take a sell down. If it's gonna hold back up, then I'm gonna take the buy actual. So it's just like this point right now. I'm probably gonna look for the sell side right now for this on this gold section. So what time are you still? What time are you done streaming, bro?
Whenever you want to call it, my man. Whenever you wanna.
Is
I
it
usually go half past 11ish.
okay? Okay. So am I gonna take like an impulse entry right here when this thing closes actually on the 3 minute time frame? So I
Okay,
actually wanna,
damn.
yeah. So I'm gonna probably take an impulse entry soon. Yeah, just to be in and in
See, like
see.
even that, ne?
Mm-hmm.
That what's happening there was
Mm-hmm.
part of my rules.
What?
A sweep above. What I just explained now. Sweep above Asia.
Yeah,
Look for sales.
and the cells. Oh, really? But
Yeah.
you put your stops like very tight though. Your stops will go very very tight. You
It
get
depends. It
it
depends.
depends. Okay, my
Yeah.
stops will be usually about 300, or like the we go 300 like that. Usually that's how I have like a set stops. Usually I go about depending on the way the
Uh,
market.
yeah. I also feel like having a set rule based
Mm.
on the pair is very important. So that if
Yeah,
the stop is too big and you know, like, okay, like,
yeah,
it's
it's in
not
a
part of my rules.
exactly. So I'm probably gonna try to take it this trade down to the downside. Let's see if I can get in actually. I want to take an impulse
Okay,
entry.
so let me quickly
Mm-hmm.
show you my chat here. So guys, um, Shaq's gonna take
I'm gonna take a
will sell soon.
yeah, I'm gonna take a sell on gold for a sell down into that lows I think.
Just to show you guys more or less what Shaq threw out. He threw out this little this zone here, which we would call as supply.
Oh, you
And also
so
took
you
out
have a
entry points.
similar idea around this basically.
Yeah.
Basically.
So the way I see it, if I look in the 1 minute, for instance,
Okay, let's go to 1 minute. Okay.
if I look in the 1 minute, I can see, especially if I put it in a line chart. Now I can actually see the trend. Now I can
You
see,
do the
okay,
same thing,
how
bro.
the
Look here.
highs are made, how
I
the
have
lows are made.
I have the same thing, bro. Not a lie. God's truth. I won't lie. Look here. When I'm in the uptrend, I change this to the lows. When I'm in the downtrend, I change this to the highs, bro. Then it focus and it takes from the high. So now it's in a downtrend here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it very much the same thing, bro.
Then I
Not,
can actually see where the market at, what we
yes.
call change of character
There we
of
go.
the.
This here is the changer. You can see this here. This is actually the change of structure right now. So there we go. This is the trade.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, crazy also. People might not know this. So how did me and Shaq actually get to know each other before you moved here? Shaq would take trades, ne? I think it happened
Yeah.
twice. And we
Yeah.
would have the like almost have the exact same entry.
Mhm.
But we trade differently. But then I go look and it's like I don't see what he saw. And it's like that was such an interesting thing, I
Yeah.
feel, because okay, yeah, anyways,
I think it was
like
actually.
deep.
Let's see right here. Let's see. Thanks, Jiv. You had dope explanation, man. You had a dope explanation.
Welcome, man, Mr.
It's
358.
yeah, 358. We got it going, man. There we go. Let's get this going. So right now I'm in for sales already. I'm in for sales. I'm looking to sell this
Okay,
market
you guys get
down.
it there. Shaq is in there.
I'm looking to sell it into the
Starting at
equilibrium.
entered. What chart is that? 3 minute.
Yeah, this is a 3 minute time frame. And there's a
3
I
minute
look at the
time
three
frame.
minute,
So
5 minute
Shaq got in
as well.
more or less around here, like the half point.
Yeah. So I look at the 5 minute also. 5 minute, impulse as well, clean. So that the 5 minute, I'm new here. My first time seeing your stream. Hi Jamal, thank you for joining, man. Can we get a jabby jabby in the chat for Jamal, guys? Welcome, jabby jabby in the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so I think this is the time people probably didn't probably get in. They can probably want to get in right here, right now. Who didn't get in? They can get.
Oh my word.
Jabu Jabu.
Chris,
There we go.
welcome to the chat, man.
There we go.
Live here with Shaq.
Let's
So
go.
Shaq, Chris is said troll was here now. The market maker Chris says, guys, you must be careful. The market makers watching our streams.
Market maker, serious. If they coming on, that's if our trade hits stop loss, it's the market maker.
Yeah,
I
yeah, it's the
blame the
market
market
maker.
maker.
They're watching our streams.
So you use 3 minute charts. I use all the time frames I can use. Honestly speaking, on the stream right here, we are multi time frame traders, you know. So we don't just necessarily use one time frame. I'm on the 50 minute time frame at times. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. It all depends on what I'm seeing on the market right now. So as of now, I'm in a trade for a sell. So I'm looking for like reading the 50 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. It's just what makes sense at the time. So I will have my designated time frames. Of course, I do like the 1 minute time frame, and I do like the 5 minute and 30 minute time frame. But it's what makes sense to me at a time, you know. So I don't know, Jimmy, do you feel the same about it? Do you,
Sorry, say it again.
do you have a specific time frame you use, or do you use multi time frame?
Um, I have specific time frames for specific purposes.
Yeah.
So my entry criteria, for instance, it has a higher time frame and lower time frame checklist. I
Mm,
start off analyzing on the higher time frame.
mm-hmm,
If one thing on the higher time frame is not met,
mm-hmm.
there's no, I don't even bother going to the lower time frame.
Yeah.
So literally as I go, hey Chris, thank you for popping in, man. Really appreciate it. And yeah, yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, guys, don't forget to drop a like. Don't forget to drop a like, and also check out Shaq's stream, eh?
Yeah.
Also like and subscribe there.
Thank you
But
guys.
yeah, so
Same to
then
you,
basically
man.
what I then do is once I hit that checklist, once I hit that checklist, and I can go to the lower time frame,
Mm,
then there's a so I'll give you an idea. I start on the daily or 4 hour,
mm-hmm.
for my higher time frame structure. Then I go to my 15 minute for my internal structure. Then for my entries, it's based on 1 minute and 3 minute fractal structure.
Okay, I see you.
Yeah.
So it's definitely that. Like I say me, like now I'm in the sell on the gold, but again I use all time frames, but I do have a designated specific time frame I love. Like I love the 1 minute time frame. So when I go on the 1 minute time frame, I can read price more finer. Like I can read price action where it starts. You know, of course it starts not even on a 1 minute. It starts on split seconds. As I even say, I have 30 second even sometimes I go on it, man. But again, it's again like I driven. It's like, you know, you, I'm sure you agree. So it what makes sense for everyone. You know, like what makes sense to
Yeah.
you at the
Like a
time.
good example is, guys, a lot of people don't a lot of people, like, I get a lot of backlash for trying to enter on the 1 minute, for instance, such small moves. But then my thing is, when I started trading, I used to see guys take these trades where they enter on the wick, like on the tip of the wick, and I was like, if these guys can do it, why can't I? And that
Mm,
was the thing that was like, I want to do that. That's how I want to trade. I don't want
yeah.
to enter any other way. So you have to really trade according to your personality and what suits you, what's going to make it comfortable for you.
Mm.
So for me, if I must enter on a 4 hour confirmation candle, sure, my anxiety.
My anxiety. Oh my god. My anxiety. If I eat on a high time frame, man, I won't able to deal with it, man. Honestly, right now. So that's my problem. I won't able to deal with it. Like really, really won't able to deal with it. So this my still my entries coming. It's a little bit of drawdown right now. Actually, let's see. The thing is this. I don't like the three.
Jamal, yes, so we mentioned it earlier.
Check
We're still
the X very base.
smoking every single streams. It's our second day doing this, and we're getting there slowly but surely.
Yeah, we're gonna
So
get there.
I would say by next week, like, we have no problems. Everything is 100%, and like it's like free flow from there.
Let's see, 3 minute time frame. My time frame is a bit slow. I don't know why it's moving like that. Okay, this thing is actually fake out, bro. It's faked out. It looked like a fake out. It's an impulsive entry, Leo. Impulse came right back up. Looks like an impulsive. That impulsive entry was actually like a fake out, I think. Just have to hold just to watch how actually price reacts right here on top right now, and to see if it's gonna hold these levels. And that if it holds these levels, if not, it's gonna definitely run up to the highs over there. But if it holds this level, it will continue going down. If it doesn't, it's gonna run up, and then I'm gonna have to just cut my loss on this one. Yeah. Technically based, not fundamentally. Okay, what chart is that? Check. This is gold. This is gold right now. I mean, on gold on sell actually. I'm on a gold sell right now. Um, but I'm in drawdown. I'm still holding. Once it comes to the top right here, I'll be able to close my trade. But for now, I'm still gonna hold actually. Um, trusting it will
Yeah,
actually.
my chart as well. Seems like our second trade is also almost at BE, so let's see what's gonna happen there.
Okay.
Let's hope it's just a little pullback.
Let's see.
And there we have it to break even. So minus 10 and a PE for the session.
Yeah, it's gonna be slow. There's gonna be days like this. I know, and I think Jevin, you will probably tell your people as well. There's gonna be days where you can have a slow day, like you can have profitable day, and there's gonna be like you can have make no money for the day. You're gonna lose money, So that's what
Yeah.
I always remind myself that like even like this is normal. That's why you have a stop loss so that you have the accommodation for drawdown, right? That if market goes up, that's why like some people don't like when they go into drawdown, like, oh, the trade is in drawdown. Why is it going to drawdown? But the thing is like you have a stop loss for the
Yeah.
market to go into.
And my mentor always said, if you in a
Mm,
trade and you
mm.
are fearful, then you are most likely risking too much in the trade.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, I agree. I have two things also: is the ego and fear of trade is when you lose, you're risking too much, and if you scared to lose because there's not of money, then you have an ego. Yeah, so I agree with that actually. No, very true, very
Uh,
true. Yeah.
my chart, you could just get to see if we did
Let's
go to
see.
this trade. It's not the one
Um,
we mentioned. If we did take it,
why are you taking this trade? It
we
doesn't
would
make
have
sense. It makes sense to me, honestly speaking. It just makes sense to me.
one.
I wanted to take the trade because it makes sense to me because we had it's impulsive entry. Of course, it was impulsive entry. Like I said to everyone, it's gonna be impulse. I took it based off the impulse to the downside again, and I wanted a continuation to the downside. On a 3 minute time frame, you will see as well we had the impulse right there, close below the Asian, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna continue taking it down. Therefore, I was like, okay, I'm taking a trade continuation to the down, impulsive entry, because we cleared this little range right here. So as we cleared it impulse, and I'm like, okay, that is when I take in. Usually, if I want a conservative one, I'll wait for the retest right there, and I'll get in there. So I'll still have been in drawdown, and also there was a range right there, impulse out, retested, and then continue down. So me, I'm taking the continuation in to the downside basically. So it might not make sense to you. It might not make sense to you, but it makes sense to me, man. Honestly speaking, yeah. And you on my stream, so if that's the thing I don't understand, Javen. Like when people come on the stream, like, oh, why are you selling there? Why sell there? Sell there? The thing is, why are you on my stream then? I'm sure I'm enjoying
Yeah.
my trading, man. Let me enjoy
And
my trading.
like it's not even a thing of like you being egotistical when you say that. I'm sure even this you can agree on.
Mm,
Maybe different, same but different, same
mm,
but different. Ne? Where like for instance like I'm sure you can also see if you have clients who sign up with you, those who put
mm.
in the work and those
I
who
think
don't
I'm
put in
gonna,
the work. It
yeah,
shows in the analysis.
it does show definitely. I'm coming very close to my stop right now. Might actually just check out what happens here quick. Closing. I'm gonna close my stop right now. Yeah, I'm gonna close my trades. I closed my trades for a loss, so that's my first trade for the day, and that's the negative on the trade. Yeah, but you were saying, so yeah, chat. I closed my trade there. It was a negative trade, so that's the trade on a minus on there. Okay.
Still a good
Yeah.
loss
Yeah,
because
still a good
in
loss.
my
No,
book. So
still a good. I mean, it's still a good trade. I would still take it in any other day. So that's the thing that I know someone will be like, let's see. Well, you were saying something on your side. Mm-hmm.
um yeah, so we also just hit a minus 10 in the PE. We called
Okay.
another one, but we didn't take it because I didn't want to take so many trades on stream.
Oh
But
yeah.
it goes back to what you said now. Like I feel like it's so cool. Like I could, because like technically in this one session, I could give three trades compared to yesterday.
Mm.
There was nothing.
But I
And
think.
then if we did catch them, if
Mm-hmm.
we like let's say all of them worked out, we would have caught about 60 pips.
Yeah.
So that is still like that is still something that is reasonable. So I feel like we're getting a different approach with the streams.
Mm.
And yeah, man, guys, like this is part of the game, you know. We
It
can't. I
is.
always say we can't catch them all. If we could, we would all be billionaires.
Hey man,
But
I'll be like Mr. Yeah, I don't know who, bro. But that's the thing, like trading the game, bro. People don't understand it. Trading is such an industry that you gonna like they need to accept this part. Like I'm not gonna away from a loss. I will never away from a loss. I'll never like run away from it, or what I mean. I'll take it as is because it's the risk I calculated, and that's what I said in the start my streams. This is the trades I'm taking, and I always say you either just watch it, whether you decide to take it, it's up to you. You need to calculate your risk, and I tell people like I'm just gonna enjoy me showing myself taking my trades. That is what I want to do, so that I can collect data, and build some sort of data that I can use one day for bigger business, if that makes sense. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, I like to collect data so that one day I can look at it and say, okay, you know what, you can go to maybe a big bank and say, look at this data that I have. What do you think about it? And that way you can actually build. So right here I can record all these things and use it as a journal, and then people can always come back to it and just watch it and use it, so that when they sit there and they lose here alone, hey, Momo's making sounds, bro. When they sit and take a trade alone, they also might feel like, oh, like a bum or something, like not feel good. But when you take a trade and you together collective take a loss, you don't feel as if like you're like, okay, now you're not doing something wrong, man. It is part of trading. It's really part of trading, and you just normalize it.
If you ever feel bad about your trading,
Mm-hmm.
look at the story of, I think it's Jesse Livermore.
Of who?
Livermore. I think the R is silent.
Excuse
Um,
me, who? Let me hear again.
Jesse Livermore. The
Jesse,
guy who became a millionaire, he lost everything, became a millionaire, lost everything, became a millionaire, divorced,
Jesse,
killed himself.
Jesse. What's his name?
So Jesse, Jesse
Mm.
space Livermore. I think that's how you spell it.
Let's see. Oh, I saw his pictures before. Oh, the stock trader.
Yeah, so his story is very interesting. He committed suicide.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, he
Come and show them. Come and show them, so
he be,
we talking about.
yeah he became a millionaire. He lost everything, but you'll see actually what happened to Jesse Livermore
Let me show them
on
what we're talking about.
Thanksgiving Day, November 28th, just after 5:30.
Mm-hmm.
Livermore fatally shot himself with a Colt automatic pistol in the cloakroom of a hotel in Manhattan where he usually had cocktails.
Yes. Damn.
Yeah,
Damn.
and he
Damn.
lost his fortune. He lost his fortune several times. He was the first to admit when he made a mistake. So when he lost money, it came down to two potential culprits. The rules of trading were not
Mm,
formulated. This is the case now for all losses. The rules were not followed. So by not
mm,
following his rules, he committed suicide. So that's how toxic it is to be disciplined.
mm, 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 mm.
That's insane, eh?
I'm telling you, that is actually insane. I
And
mean,
he's the guy from the quote, markets can remain markets can remain irrelevant longer than you can say solvent, something like that.
I'm
Irrational,
actually so
irrational.
so he basically broke his rules, and that's why he actually committed suicide.
Yeah.
Rules in trading.
So actually, very interesting story about him as well.
Did he lose a lot of
Yeah,
money?
he was young. He was young. He left school. His
Yeah.
father wanted him to be a farmer. He was like, I'm not gonna do it. He ran away from home. He started working in like a booking place.
Mm-hmm.
He made so much money booking on like betting on horses and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Then he came into the stock market. So what he then did was he used to, like, back in the day there was no charts like we have now.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
every time the
The
news comes
price.
out, like,
They work.
the newspaper comes out, whatever stock is reading, he takes a page, he writes a number every day. So it happens now, dot, 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 dot at a different price. What happens now? Now you're forming a chart. You see,
Mm. It's the
that's
same
where you
as
started seeing trends.
it's
Like
a
that's
say
where you started trading
it's
like
like
that.
it's like what's his name? Ray. Same thing, and I think they get the price. They'll get the price in from like the news and that, and the news feed with the prices. Like you say, they'll draw that graph and use that to to visualize what more or less the market trend is having, and then use it to decide whether buy and selling.
Advantage.
I read the book. I think I keep on telling you about it. It's the one with Ray, the principles, and he says like also how he collected the feed and he used that. He used to use it, but then eventually looked at it as an economy. So you look at the economy's trend itself, and I thought about the McDonald's, how he came up with the McDonald's structure, which is quite insane. We looked at it, which is we can also look at it that way. If we look at our trading and look at, for instance, like if you want to be a long-term trader, and I always tell people like momentum wise, like if you look at gold, right? Do you believe it? Okay, do you believe that gold will be eventually? Gold is gonna like. Do you believe in gold itself, Adrian?
I'm gonna say something very controversial.
Mm, yeah,
Gold is obviously something valuable. We can't deny that.
yeah,
But I've I've seen some things. I've heard some theories about other elements.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
which I believe can eventually be used for other purposes and surpass gold.
Yeah. So no, definitely. But do you think gold will be wiped away
Maybe not anytime soon, but in the future, definitely.
in the future? I think gold will
Yeah,
become maybe more scarce, that it becomes more
yeah.
valuable. I think that,
And then
uh,
people who hold gold then will be the ones who really like
yeah,
have something no one else has.
yeah, and then it becomes really, really valuable. So for now, like
I agree with that.
I think gold, you can still get gold, but eventually
Someone
gold.
said also, Alex Jones said, one of the things we must also actually look out for was silver. I don't know if you looked at the silver chart. Um,
Listen here,
you could double check it, please.
someone says gold wants to hit my stop loss and then go in my direction. Yeah, very true. Gold just took my stop loss out, nah, and then moved it back into, like, threw it down a little bit, back, going back to entry. But again, that's the thing, man. Like you know what? Looking at the time, the market has been
I
trending.
think,
I think it's totally fine for the market if you want to do that. I still think there's gonna be a push, because like you see how it failed to go higher. It still failed. It's still a structure, but quite interesting. I'm not gonna get involved again here right now on gold because
so.
we're
Just something before we leave.
hmm
Posing your question of gold. Maybe you must just look at the silver chart as well, the all-time chart,
silver.
and then see how that's been making higher highs.
Uh
And
huh.
Alex Jones said like that will become the
Yes, I
second safe haven next to gold eventually.
no. Because I believe gold will go all the way up, bro. I believe highly in gold, bro. Because gold, if you think about gold, right? Gold is like the same way as silver. Like I mean, silver is the same as gold, right? Like in the essence of where it's gonna become more scarce and more scarce and more scarce and more scarce, and then eventually, if the price of it will eventually go up. So the
So if you
all
think,
time,
I don't know if you saw that guy from Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
He actually was said literally, think a year or two ago, gold's gonna go to $3,000, and everyone laughed at him.
And it's at
And then gold went from 1890. I would never forget it. We had a thing at the office that day. We called a buy. We took our profits. Yes, bro. If we yell, bro,
really, really, it would been all the way up.
yo,
But again, those things happen, man. It's like I think about trading as the if is always gonna be there. If I just had to not take a trade, if I just had to take the trade, if I just not, if I just, it's always gonna be there. Just be the moment, because you're always gonna leave money on the table, regardless.
yeah.
Is You're always gonna leave money in the table regardless. So that's it. Um, I believe we trade without yourself, but don't know how much you can lose, especially cold indexes. Bro, someone says you was trade go without stop loss.
Yo, your account's gonna be the stop loss.
Your count will be the stop loss. Like, bruh, like I understand what you're saying, but unless you want, if you can afford to like put the money in and then go for like that, then go for it. But
Yeah, I
yo,
know that. Like that is something some people do. They will be like find $100,
and that's the stop
and they would
loss.
be like, okay, $10, full margin.
Yeah.
No, okay, not yet. Put full margin until they catch that one trade that will now flip the account, give them $1,000,
Yes.
and then
Yes.
but
I'm
like,
I'm
no, man.
using SL if to 9 to 5 strategy, and I'm still seeing the sell gold. What's if SL?
I have no idea.
Someone says yes, but money making dips first. Hmm? I don't know what this guy is talking about. Yeah, just like that. Let's see.
So what do you say, Shaq? How long are you still gonna stay on live?
I'm actually gonna be done. I'm already over my time. I usually stop at 11. I was just waiting for the trade, man. I was waiting for the trade, but like the time I got the trade, it was a year, So even though, like, again, it's simple. I'll wait for it to come here, see how it reacts, impulses out, then okay, I'll take it. So I'm already done. Other than that, I'm not gonna take another trade right now because I don't like the structures I'm in. And in Nasdaq, I know Nasdaq. I did see Nasdaq is traded back. It look Nasdaq trade back to the Asia high though, Asia low. I mean, do you see Nasdaq?
Let me quickly go there.
Nasdaq actually traded back to Asia high from that. inverse gap right there. Do you see it?
Okay, wait, I'm checking. I see it. You can see your chart. Okay, I see. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so trade it right back to
And you can
there.
see it looking for buys as well.
Yeah, I was looking to see that come right back there, but it's fine. US 30 on the side. Look at US 30. US 30 is ranging, so we're gonna have definitely impulsive moves for probably the New York. But yeah, that's it for today. It's a good loss, but we move on. Jabu Jabu all the way. Jabu Jabu all the way.
Yeah, there, guys. It was really a beautiful one this time. I feel like we're really going somewhere with it,
Yeah,
and
we're
I
gonna
love
get
that.
there. We're
I
gonna
love that.
I also like it,
Yeah,
bro. I think we're gonna get there. We just need to be patient with it. As time goes on, we will definitely. My pumple is so, bra. Yours pumple is so. But as time goes on, we will get flow, and we're gonna come up with
I
new.
thought you said something else now.
Oh, wait. What did you say? What did you think?
I
Nah,
thought you said this people is so from sitting.
my pupil. There is a my
Yeah,
pupil.
from sitting.
You know. Look at sometimes my pupil do get so from sitting so for fucking 2 hours, bruh.
The reason also why I'm asking you is
um,
because like um I think I might have eaten a bit too much sweets also.
is it? Oh, so your pupil is really so. Oh
Yeah, I
shit.
think I have.
Yo, so
Oh,
you be kniping your ah.
nah, jokes, man.
See ya.
Jokes
Nah,
aside,
no,
though.
don't joke. You know it. You have a ah. See ya. When last did you? When last did you that word? Yeah, I have a ah.
Yeah, there was a video there of a guy years ago on Facebook.
Oh god.
Back in the day when you go buy like milk at Pick and Pay, like you have to take it out of the crates, like those crates. You remember? Like Pick and Pay
See
chicken
ya. They're asking
before
us.
before you
The bro, they're asking us a question. Check the chat quick.
are you gonna call yourself the dude?
Oh yeah. What are we gonna call ourselves, bro? What are we gonna call ourselves?
Yeah, I feel like if we do that one, that it's gonna be like it's gonna cause some drama.
Yeah, I don't want. We don't want drama. We have all love.
Yeah,
Yeah, we literally have love for everyone.
I
For
don't know. We did discuss that, and then it's like we both have brands.
mm,
But there
we
is something. There is something
yeah. There's
about
something. We definitely have a sponsor that
there's
that's gonna
always
bring
gonna be a
us.
name coming out.
Yeah, there is a sponsor that we will bring us together under one umbrella. Yeah, I think that is one of the
Yeah.
key thing.
For
Um,
example, like we can still Shaq can still be TFE, I can still be
yeah.
Johannesburg Capital without any conflict of interest. We're
Yes.
still working towards the exact same vision and everything like that while everyone still
You
being
know,
us.
you know what I think it's about now. That true thing where people say, "Yo, I wish I can have a trader that can be my trading partner, and like can support and be that." I think we gonna be that. You know, we're not really we have our stuff going, but we still support each other. We still support each other. We trading. We just trading, enjoying it, and going with it, and do business together. We grow family together. You know the vibes. We just growing, and eventually as time goes on, more of
Yeah, for those who don't know, like me and Shaq are technically family now.
yeah.
In a matter of few years, we'll make it legally
Yeah, legally, nah.
that.
Oh yeah, they don't know what we have going on here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh, bruh. Nah, but okay. Let's end it here. But we're gonna see how that goes, man. Don't Gold don't like me. I'll take my chance on with US 30. Yeah, we're gonna see how that goes, man. But let's wait for the New York session. The New York session will be much more cleaner, man. For now, I think the London is not as clean, maybe. But with that being said, guys, we love you guys. Peace,
Yeah,
love, and
it's always
happiness.
much appreciated.
Driven's people as well. Peace, love, to happiness to you guys. May you guys also have a blessed one, man. Is there anything you want to say on your side, bro, Driven?
Guys, once again, thank you for the support, man, and thank you for everyone tapping in. It's always a pleasure streaming for you guys. It's nice to actually like be around people who gets me. So yeah, guys, there's certain things money can't buy, and that is how you affect people. You guys don't
Mm,
understand how much it means just for you guys to drop a like
mm.
on the stream. Small things like that. The smallest things mean the most. So yeah,
No,
have a
definitely.
beautiful day, guys.
No, definitely, guy. But may you have a blessed one, a super blessed one. Um, I see on your thing 2Gs even said he came to our streams to run our stops, but we lucky hit TP 2Gs
We like
training.
hit TV, yeah.
Yeah, taking all our stops. Oh yeah, yeah. They been the market maker. Hey, but anyway, man, much love to you, man. Peace, love, and divine happiness, bro.
We keep in touch, Jack.
Yeah, we
See
keep
you.
in touch.
Yeah,
Okay, check you, now, bro. Check you, bro. Stay blessed now.
I will.